Yeah, welcome back to PFS Films. Talk, man. You're done in there.
And we're back with another banger video, and you know. Yeah, baby. Yes, I know. So this happens in reality and things. So we're trying to send out a message to those smaller kids out there who like to follow people. Don't follow people. It will put you somewhere in life that no one wants you or wish you to be. Enjoy the movie. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
You hear that? Don't follow nobody. Focus on your book. Stay in school. Listen to your parents. Even if your parents tell you, say, don't go out the road and you see goodness out the road. Don't go out there because that goodness might be badness. Don't go out there. Stay home. Please do not run away from home. God bless you all.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes.
Ready for go to school?
You pack your bag and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, come to your lunch money.
Yeah?
You press the uniform?
Yeah, press.
Okay. Right. Yeah, so, wait there. How will you take off for what?
Yeah.
Or put on nutrition?
I take off.
Okay. Alright. Much money this may I give you go to school?
$200.
Okay. Me go tell you something. You see this? Make sure say you use your head and know if you spend this. You see all this, just take that $100 here. You see this? After your breaks and your lunch. You hear me?
$100.
$100. You see, the lesson we did offer last week, give the teacher $20 out of this. And use the other $80 to pay your fare, go and come back home. Don't beg nobody anything.
Okay.
Satisfy with what you have
Okay.
until you can get more. Walk in at the corner
Alright, mommy, later.
and go a bus park. And when you reach a bus park, you take. You see a monument, tell us if you take. I make sure it's a red plate.
Yeah.
Not take no white plate.
Yeah.
If anything happen to you, Lord have mercy, and some of them no license not insure.
Nothing not happen. I take your red plate.
Red plate, you have to take red plate taxi.
Alright.
Yes, and I'm man when name Johnny, you have to take. Take that man there. Team taxi.
Oh boy. Oh, the funny time.
What do you time?
8:20. I ain't left out. You know, left out.
I left me just to check if me have everything.
Not to clean up your place, eh?
Where many place leave a clean up?
You don't use that at school.
Oh.
You don't use that at school.
Yes.
Why the glass? Where the glass for? Where the glass for? Where the glass for?
I fashion daddy.
Fashion at school?
No.
Fashion I put subject in your head?
Kinda, yeah. Fashion, you can't lose, you can't turn fashion designer.
Me not no money for me, no cash. But, oh God have mercy.
Daddy, you tell me say me later now you hold up the time.
Draw 500. Half of it.
Okay.
I'm an emergency card.
Yeah.
Draw 500. What me say?
Draw 500.
Half of it.
What pin be?
You pin in your birth month.
Okay.
Now that's me say you fit draw $1,000, you know. 500.
Alright, later daddy. Hook up your picking.
Alright, later.
Ouch. Later.
Hey! No idling. No fighting. No man. Make sure it's a red plate taxi you take.
Okay. Daddy, me
don't want
buy
no
3 drop down there so me I walk here so. Later, yeah?
Oh boy. Why me get girl bikini? Why I couldn't want boy bikini? When me not have to fret at night time.
You take that for me, man? Right timing.
I know that.
Yeah, girl.
See Jasmine there at this end.
So she a shake, so she a fit.
I'm wondering.
So fake clothes pull up, so. Don't worry about that. Look for when me a call, you know.
Yeah, did I call?
Me say me call you and I say advice. You get this call?
No.
Me not get none either. Oh, now go. No
school.
Alright, when you come. So, how you look, so? Oh.
You wash your face?
I know me if I feel bad to go to school, you know. Feel for school today, you know. School me I go.
Me I go to school
Wait,
too.
wait,
Me know me pupa tan.
You laughing more? When you can't go to school with me?
No.
Imagine my mother have one last $200 and give me a me for school. Not today. When you just leave. When you say when I'm sick. Imagine I want to go to school and you didn't even wash your face. Girl, come go to school. Alright, come.
Sure.
Mommy! Hey, I sleep, so. What do you?
Oi. Give me the phone we have.
Why?
Give me the phone we have. Who name Peter?
Peter, my bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I yani my text? What? So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and named Pinky because she not have no phone.
So a Pinky the text man?
Yeah.
Name Peter?
Yeah, the bus driver drive the bus to go to school.
You think you can trick me? Me born with
Me
you.
can't make her ask Pinky when she comes
when me
down
talk,
there.
you don't talk. You need to listen and manners. To your papa run and left you upon me. You think say me go make you come. Look here, you're not giving me no blood pressure. You're not going to come right up here so when me talk to you. And when me talk to you, you don't need to look up in the ceiling. And you need to shake with no attitude. Because you're not full of attitude more than me. Me notice from other day I come from school late. And who named Peter? Which driver that? And Jimmy. Where the man named? Johnny. Y'all make me a chat about
Johnny not working, car broke down, mommy.
Johnny fi carry you go to school and carry you back.
But he broke down when me did for the turn back.
No, me I hear about one new taxi driver named Peter.
And a taxi man, me a boss.
And this phone belongs to you and me see night about I love you, baby.
She not have no phone, so she use my phone sometime.
Yeah. Everything me say have something to add up to it.
No, me just a answer you.
Come here.
Alright,
Come
I'm
here.
not gonna answer you.
Come here, come here.
No.
Come here.
Come.
Come here. You smell different from when you left here this morning.
Because me a sweat, mommy, you know, for me have to walk from to come up.
Come back here, so. Oi, you can't run, you know. You cannot run because I so you have to sleep. And anywhere you go out the street.
Alright, me take
You
a
have
look
to
in
come
my
back.
sleeve.
Me never tell us me go lick you. Come in and reach at that part there yet. Come back here, so. I thought me to talk to you. But it look like you want me to ball out for the neighbor them here now. But that with it.
No, you say murder me in ya.
Come sit down right here, so me I talk to you.
No, I sit down.
Me see if you sit down right here, son. Now tell me what you want to do from where you want to do. Let me see book them in your bag. What kind of work you do today at school?
Teacher collect we book then.
If your teacher collect your book, why your bag pack up so? Why in there? You carry extra schoolers go to school and you go to the beach and sit and come and get phone call, you know?
No, me tell you.
Where over center they do?
At the center.
What you mean what is center? Over beach. Where me hear say so school picnic did they in the same uniform
The
like this?
teacher carry
The
me
person
over
just
there.
not know if I
Teacher carry me over there.
Go do what?
Go read.
I want man teacher you have a woman teacher.
My man teacher.
So why when the teacher know over the beach?
Off read.
So I'm to your classroom.
Me no know, me never ask.
Shanice?
Yeah.
No answer me so. Yes, mommy. Me licking your mouth.
Yes, mommy.
Remember say you come from school late, you know?
No,
I
no
remember say
late.
I know Johnny Carrier, you know, that's somebody else, so me no know about name Peter, so no, but that's sort my brain. You see, me I take time to talk to you. Just make me stay calm. What the teacher when they teach over beach we do? Swim?
Read.
Read.
Yeah. Religious
Cause
education.
the classroom too make our
Too hot.
Mm.
And we do our fresh breeze.
So you carry no go to beach.
Yeah.
So how did I do in a bad suit?
We no bad suit.
Me get one phone call since
And
man.
I mean a bad suit, a pinky.
Let me search your bag.
No, in a me bag.
So why me can't look in your bag? What is your problem? Everything me say you have something to chat back at. Are you and my mother? And me are your mother or you are my mother? Which one? Both. And you me a talk to. What me say? Look again, girl. You smell your arm? And from you come.
Yeah, me Molly.
Why your hand smell like rubber?
So how school me I come from?
Not that rubber. Why your hand smell
A pinky.
What teacher name we can oversee?
Sir, sit down.
We had to take off me now for your clothes for.
Because you're churchy out and I want to buy you. You're going to break me
When the teacher name,
Sir,
we carry
sit
over.
down.
Sir, what?
Sit down.
Our new teacher come at the school. Let me need to talk to the principal. Give me her number.
Me not have the 911.
Your teacher turn police. Eh? Your teacher turn police.
Did them say any emergency at 911? So no emergency, no.
Don't make me get up, you know. No make me get up because from your gun and how much o'clock. No, you just a come from school. Me either take me I wonder which man you are there because you're not terrible. Me afraid of you. I breed the one come breed for me.
No.
A headache you want give me? Make me blood pressure rise gone up in the sky? So you want to kill me before time?
Yeah.
You will not kill me before God ready for me.
Alright, nobody get up, see me turn up there. But you squeeze me
No one quiz your hand because I want you to feel it.
You go broke.
You talk to me like I say me your size. It's me is your mother. You is not my mother. When me send you go to school, at school me send you to go learn and come back. Which man teacher take your care of go to beach?
Sir, sit
But religious education. Me and the immediate, me need to talk to your principal. So yes, when you go to school tomorrow, guess what? You don't get what today, you know. I don't get what you get here. Listen where you go. When you go to school tomorrow morning, tell the principal, where your principal name again?
No.
See there, and member say she name Miss Clark. Tell Miss Clark, say
I know Mr.
man,
Sir.
so a
No,
man.
man teacher no over there again.
How could I call this Jesus? Whatever principal, tell the principal, say me say fi give you him or she number. Come give me,
I
come
don't have no phone. No.
me Jesus Christ have mercy, girl, and no sense.
I am my mother.
So, to me and your mother, me a idiot and you a fool. That you try to tell me, say, eh? Where they try to
I sleep,
Where they come from?
I sleep, mommy. Me tell you. Pinky say office school, so me the good on a beach.
What? Pinky, that the girl that when me tell us if he left him alone, left her alone. Because she not come out to nothing good. I do not want to come out to nothing good. So you want to work this for me?
We up. She said if we not come,
You want to work this for me?
She said if we not come, she go tell her and tell Kena father lie pan we. And we never have no other choice.
So me ask you something. Is Pinky your mother or me?
You.
So you and Pinky are going to see him school and you listen to Pinky like a Pinky responsible. Come up here for. Me don't know where you go up in the corner they go. We don't know they hide and they take man.
Me never hide and take no man.
Where school name where you go? I take man college because they look like the whole out know that the school they have to have one man. How much subject you learn for the day?
4.
Where first one? You start with T.
No, the first one I really just education.
And where next one name? Take man
Maths,
education.
no, maths, and then English, and then what I one day where you learn about sex and
so you contact to me so like I say you idiot suffer. And like your baby, I when you know the back away back par road in our uniform, on a full of sound dirty word in our mouth. All the elders them beside us in a bus park and a be out of there sitting on the panel like kiss up boy. You think me not hear about you? You see only one Pinky where they follow way so till me see she and for her mama. Me no joking.
She no mother. Her mother gone left far.
Oh, so you know no mother?
Yeah.
So what the reason you have to follow people picnic?
She threatened away. She did a black me.
Oh, so she a bully at the school?
Yeah.
Get the principal number, come give me. Because I need to deal with for your case. You know, get where this evening, Fanny lick them. Go on in your room. Go on in your room. Go change your clothes and then you go wash up your dirty plate. Them stand there.
So,
more for
me come from school and if you wash me and
if I take sitting and licking your backside today, go wash up your plate them. You don't do nothing from money. You go to school, you go content about teacher, carry no go on a beach, you go do religious education. You feel say me a idiot. Come here, come wake me up. Look at little girl. You know what? Me go take a 5. Make me wake up on the plate, then I wash and you will see.
Yes, man. James Square to come in. James Square to come in. Where we can? I'm going to give me card. Give me my card.
A long time a day I sleep, me day I sleep.
Again.
What happened?
You don't know that me have access to my card from my phone. Eh?
No.
Why you go buy 3 box of pizza out of my card?
I was hungry.
You alone eat 3 box of pizza? Look up it now and put me. Where's your book? Because the time when we take pizza order, you should have in a school. Let me see your book.
No, it was we went on a trip, Daddy.
What kind of trip?
You know what? School trip.
Like you trip, you're supposed to get paper for sign. If you go back trip, me I saw the whole school because they never said no paper for sign.
No, I know really one of the big trip that we did just go somewhere go look on one animal.
Anyway, teacher can't only go. They could have even can't only go look on the biggest cow in Jamaica. They're supposed to send a paper come the parents to sign. Now tell me that. Let me see book.
I'm over on the farm.
I don't care. Me never grow you up on a farm. Me grow you up in a house. So you do over farm.
The teacher have a book, Daddy.
Teacher which book?
I have 2 books.
A teacher buy it. A teacher buy
Then
it.
give me work and it has to be mark.
Mark here and give you it. No teacher not to keep your book. They will turn in a duns. They will carry go and hold your man. They will hold your it.
No teacher not do that day. You
don't know teacher.
You're just delusional.
When me and my brother go to school, I suppose my brother walk on the road and mad out right now. You see how my sister lives down the road there. You know how me and him get picked at the same time? Eh? I follow fashion, him follow fashion, then like them over him.
Daddy. I feel breakfast a morning time.
Listen me. Don't buy no oat and no Lasco again off of my card. It's too expensive. Buy black and macaroni too. Jesus! Somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead.
I know my card buy this.
No, Daddy, I money. Not your card, the money. But your money come.
What?
Daddy, your belly long.
Girl, me have banana pantry. Me have little butter. Flush with it.
Every day you give me banana. Me a no monkey.
You can drink banana porridge.
Me drink it too. Every morning I hit you. That's why I buy oats. Me want a change.
No.
See me start and buy a coffee for make tea. See it here.
You're lucky you buy coffee, you know. You're lucky you buy coffee. But who go pay for them?
It pay for already, Daddy. Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
3 coffee.
You see when your mama did pack up and gone, in gone with everything. This is my only emergency card, yeah. Your mama left gone a foreign. You know what she had do a foreign? I mean, feel like you're going to become the same thing, you know.
What want entrepreneur?
Entrepreneur your backside, that's from pole over there. I'm man a tip her.
That it's entrepreneur.
Come now, have a bit.
Alright.
Come now.
Yeah.
You are washing up there?
No, Daddy, but the machine wash it.
You have to clean up your house, you got that school.
It clean. What you want me to do? Paint the board?
You come so you. By the way, my sister called me and tell me, say,
Say.
oh no, your
No.
daughter go over beach
Daddy,
with
thank
Pinky.
God. A
With
Spanish
Pinky.
mistake. You say, uno, Daddy, I mean one.
Listen me, one and over beach.
Trip, Daddy, trip.
Chip where?
I princess, Daddy put on the hammer. You scare me.
Listen me. You know how I work for
Daddy,
Senegal
I
school.
principal.
Which?
Your principal, Davis Alphonsus Bentley.
No, something not right, yes, sir. Something not right, yes, sir.
What you mean not right? No, then carry go on trip along with a teacher, Mr. Sumakal, Cynical, Cynicers, whatever I want name.
Teacher, who is the father?
You.
Right. At least you understand that you are a picnic, right?
Right.
I know something I put up with
But
food
Daddy,
in
you
this,
show
right?
me on the jacket? I mean,
Put back that jacket, mouth, they don't get to it.
alright, wait. You sure me on the whole suit? Cause
Cause what?
we devil. Me not get no jeans.
You want
here.
a mirror? You want a mirror?
No.
Or only your mother bad jeans you get?
No, my mother get pretty jeans if she look like me.
You want to look at your mother since lately?
That has since lately that they
Your
not when
mother
you
have
did that
put
with
on
her.
20 coat of makeup, feel good.
But when you did that day with her, you never know. Say she did want 20
She didn't
makeup.
have her makeup. When I take her here and in the morning I wake up, I realize that I make a mistake.
Okay.
If I could have did reverse you from your mother that night, you wouldn't have bad.
Daddy, you know a song called Condom. Condom.
We know about condom.
Obviously, we learn it in HFLE, Health and Family Lifestyle, or
Tell the
education.
teacher, say, you hear? When I
They
go out there.
teach us about birth control methods and
No,
all of
no,
those
no.
things.
Tell the teacher, say, don't teach you about no birth control. Do not teach you about no birth control.
But
because
it's
when
a
they
good
teach you
thing.
about them, they sitting there, you don't feel like you're not ready for man. You're not ready for man.
No, Daddy, me know how you smash my head with a hammer. Me a
Go
go
wash
be
up the
there.
plate. Go wash up the dirty plate.
But me
Go
want
and go wash
beard.
them up. Go on.
Alright, then I make me change out of my uniform.
I don't give a damn right now, you know, because you don't go to school today.
Me go school.
You smell funky too, like when I come from somewhere.
I sweated. I walked.
Me walk to and me never sweated.
Me no business.
And me never smell so when me walk. It seems like when
Seems like what?
you see me I give up my car down morning again.
Me no business.
You see, I'll wait. If you can't touch me, I shall broke your foot them. Oh.
Shanice! Shanice! I walk call me name. Girl. What happened? Nothing. What go on? You can't call out my name, so girl, because my mother asleep. If you wake her up, a problem. Come here up on the road now. Go away. I just said, don't know where they are go. Come on. Can't, no, girl. Me I just, me have a plate there for wash and bath. You can't do that. You can't do that when I come back. Come now. Suppose she wake up by the time me go. If you tax a lot, she not got your chow. Me come can't come, girl. Me afraid. Bella, come now. She not do no. She not know. You go come back before she wake up. Me afraid. I just right down the road we are walk. I could have right over there, so. Girl, me afraid. You don't know. Yeah.
Shanice.
Yeah.
You finish what you playing?
No.
So we're outside, I do.
Pinky called me.
Pinky. Little girl. Little girl, come here. Come here, I want to talk to you. Come here.
Eh?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, man. You can't come. Come here. Come now. I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing.
Come here.
Come here.
So you touch me so
I
far.
want you to come over here so that son. Why you want to carry me in this son? Look at, oi, have manners to me. My daughter not tell about, my daughter not tell you about me. Go on up there, so. Go stand up beside her. You and my daughter in the same class? Eh? You go to school? Don't say anything to me.
Yeah, me go to school.
Me is not side. We are not side, nor size. We not double up. Me ain't no double up. You hear? Me ain't no side. Say it.
Me ain't no side.
Okay, nor size and we no double up. What you doing, my daughter? You a broke her out?
Me?
Come back right here, so.
Me have a pipe.
No, make it stay on and me pay water rate and you.
At school me did go.
You no go to school?
Yeah.
So where you come here so now for? I want me. You don't have nothing for your yard to do. You wash your plate them already and clean up your place?
Me dad go clean the bathroom now.
So you not do it yet from me they sleep until no hello?
And a long time me asleep, mommy. Somebody me can't go now.
Which part you want go? Little girl. Where for your mother there?
Mother?
Yes, where your man your paddy?
Me no know mother. Me don't know.
So who was send you go to school? Man.
No.
Because from me see your face. You know what me see mark in there? Any man me see me take. And that me see in your forehead. So you want to come broke out me daughter now? Eh?
Me can't.
You see you act innocent like you can't mash hands? You want to come broke out?
Me can't answer to.
You can't mash hands for chill. But you come for me daughter. Because
no,
if I dream me a dream.
A dream, a dream, man. Go back go sleep.
Like me hear somebody in my head that chat about beach or sitting or come on out of yard or what. Little girl.
I go back go sleep. A dream, a dream.
What you name?
Me?
Me, what you name? Are you name Pinky? Eh, no answer me so.
Then I'm for answer you.
Oh, will you be? Oh, don't take me. Look here. Not take me my hand off of your hand. Me is not size. Since as you not no mother, you see? Since as you don't have no mother and you're ready to broke out my daughter because you started man before time.
Broke out nobody.
So you want me daughter to come. Oh! What? Me
Sis, let me ask you a question now. Why your daughter try broke out my picnic?
Morning.
Huh?
Morning, sir.
Morning.
You come over here about your sis. Yes, me and your sister. So what? You ask me a question or I tell me something. Which one?
Your daughter and Pinky, can my daughter go run off my cat buy 3 bags of pizza and juice? Me want back even half of the money because me can't fully responsible for feed them. Me cannot do it. Them a broke out my picnic and I like to have my picnic jump over there and say then kidnap him.
How my daughter get your card and how my daughter know your PIN number? Look into the story. And how my daughter have the opportunity to come a year yard, come take up your card and go spend it just like
that.
You
take up it, I'm a name cousin. My daughter him take up. He stick up my daughter and say, come. Uncle card shall use and he use me card.
Look here. You say if you come to me, contact to me about something, you talk to me proper. I make you deal with the situation better because my daughter is your niece and you're not supposed to come address me so. First of all, you tap in on me and you don't even say man. It's like you have me up front when that happen, me don't know when to come trace me like I me use your car.
Me not have you, but the thing is, you shouldn't get no picnic when they go get picnic at the same time. You should have just
Jesus Christ have mercy upon Nazareth. Father God, Lord, Come down here, so.
You should have just wait.
What you just say?
You should have
So my crutches is your crutches.
No, sis, but at least give me a little chance.
So
to
me
my
if you get
feelings
pregnant
too.
when you breed somebody or not? Which one?
No, you need to breed yet.
I mean, not to
until
breed
my
yet.
feeling gets 5.
Eh.
They so they won't broke out them one another.
So true, you get somebody pregnant the same time when me get pregnant.
Yeah.
And that's why them a behave so.
Me have me card and he want tell my daughter to buy. Wow.
So you all my daughter involved in that now. The two pitney them a cousin. What happened? Why you have to believe your daughter say my daughter this and my daughter that? If your daughter did not take your card, because you give her the PIN number, you know, because of your daughter.
Yeah.
How my daughter involved in that? If your daughter never take a card and can go spend it, I'm going all about, although I don't know they do and they boast with this heap of money and rich and something, because that the story them here. Yeah.
I'm emergency card.
And that the story them here, or your daughter they at school. Although I'm niece, they both on father rich and in game card for this and that and how I feel it and the two no name the panny all kind of thing. Or should I just take up here and go with this? So go talk to your daughter.
Me rich.
Go ask your daughter. I don't know.
If mother take up the last money out of my account, that's I never will trust. You see, woman, I will never trust woman. You remember when they were young, I thief out the chicken out of mama pot and blame it for me. And then when mama don't have no proof, say me TV, you take up one of the leg and push it in my pocket.
So what about that?
Yeah.
Yes, me take out it. Me take out it. But I'm me and you near me. It's me thief it, but I'm me and you near me.
Me don't know TV.
Okay.
Me eat, yes.
Me hungry and you hungry and then not give we nothing to eat. We ask them for something to eat, then say they not nothing for me. And when me looking at the pot, me see the chicken, me take out for me and you see you stay. I'll know after how much years you remember. I remember say I thought we eat you is a hypocrite. It should have choke you. Yeah, it should have choke you on that day.
No, say that, man.
I curse the day when I thief the chicken and give it to you to Nyam. Because your Nyam, you full your belly and know you come and talk about it after how much years after. It's a wicked, wicked brother.
Because that happened now. She take the card and she push, she spend the money and buy
well,
cheap
you know with blood. So somebody she catch it from. You feel learn.
Not me do.
You feel, what?
Not me do. I was
you feel learn to keep
one.
your daughter under control with her finger then because she's a finger simulator. See, she should come at me yard. Yeah? As our biggest auntie. Come take with my card and go use it to me tell her my PIN number. Like seriously, you fit take her up in her hand.
No, me never had no change. So me tell her, I say, take her $500 for it. Go on to school. And she, they no go to school.
No, hype your hype.
You tell me say they no go to school and me see it to myself. She no go to school. A man then go take her. Man, the three of them go take.
And how me involved in that as your sister?
You have to adjust our use screwdriver, screw down our brain because I feel like say the generation then when they come up nowadays, all in their head is man.
And money.
Man.
Let me tell you something.
No money in their head because money did in
You see
their
my
head.
daughter? Me know say she bad and me know she lie. Me know say she skull school enough time come to hear this story about beach and one heap of sitting and one heap of friend especially to one of them where one friend she go pick up where say she not no mother and she name Pinky. Me hear about it, me know about everything. Me just a go on like me no know on the way so till me grab she. But anyway, me go and talk to her about this card cause me no understand how she see her cousin come at school with her father card and help her cousin name off the money off of it. So till her name come they call up in night now like a she come over your yard come take no card.
Me never say she come over there no. Me say she get a whole of piece.
No, listen, all her offer. First of all, when you just come, it's like they tell me plain and straight, say, my daughter, which is your niece, help your daughter name off the money off of your card, so me have to go give back some money off of it. How much penny?
At least pay
Me know
back.
about your card.
Pay back for the piece though.
How much time me over here broke like a dog and you have money for a card, then should have name off the whole light and no left nothing for me. You is a wicked brother.
Emergency that.
Emergency,
If
so
you see-
emergency. Call the police. Your daughter to emergency figure school. Well, she deal with it in an emergency way with her cousin and her friend them. That not nothing to do with me because
So-
me not give back dying.
You're not doing nothing for
No!
50.
Me not give back not even $1. You're too wicked. Can you imagine? Me and your brother and sister and you have money for a card. How much money are you rather give your little daughter? If
I'm
it's
500, me take off it.
so you know say your daughter want big this and big that and hype this and hype that.
I'm gonna buy 2 bags of oats at that. Me say, and tin of milk. Lasco.
Papa Jesus. So what are they? Remember see your daughter down name oats. And who you think she buy for that style? You because your belly long and your licky and green.
But me don't want so much. 2 bags of oats. Me have banana palm tree.
Hey, wait. So after me no want to know your oats them when she buy, and me no name nothing off for your card. Me no know where you come over me here that come tell me about me to give you back pizza money.
Can't tell you back on I oats.
Me never am not even the tapping off of the pizza much as it close. Look here, go on out of me yard. Not even the crust.
I saw we come at 6
You here right now because you come and you never address me properly.
Alright,
Next
good.
thing, you want me give you money for sitting with me no yam.
But are your daughter eat it?
So what? I know me. My tribe and fear tribe is not the same. We have two different intestines. Whatever she name go down in her she. Me never name none. Go ask your niece for the money for the pizza where she name.
Shanice! Shanice! Oh, wait.
She must have gone on a shop or something.
Shanice!
Because she did say she want one bag. Oh,
Come here!
She in there.
Yo, we don't like them style, man. We have little money for you know, I take time I squeeze it and then just make one big hunk. We never yet spend so much in a one day.
Let me go fear.
We never yet,
Me they come.
never yet spend so much money in my days of life.
Come man, come. Your uncle call you. Come.
Yeah.
Why you and your cousin, right?
How are they paying?
I saw.
Oh, you not done wash your plate yet?
No.
I saw them do slow. I mean, like, if you up there, wash plate, you know.
You know long she a wash them the
Listen
plate,
me. Why you and your cousin and the dry head Pinky when live up the road? You see, all one day when I done pepper film, yai them and him out. Anyway, why you never buy how much box of pizza? 3 box of pizza. Half of me card.
Kaya rich.
Who rich?
Hey, same thing make a grown on the other side.
Who rich?
Yo.
Wow.
Then, daughter say you say we fi buy what we want to.
Buy what we want. And then tell me say, Uno, 4 stars.
Shanice, me
Buy
teach you
what we
sense, you know?
want.
Me teach you sense.
Alright.
When your cousin come to school with the card and you go the pizza place, the pizza hut.
No.
Why you never buy one of pizza cake and give me? Me they get blamed for sitting with me on them. You should
No.
buy one for me too.
No, she buy pizza.
Then
come
you
at
not take little of the
school.
blame. Me no name none on me if you go pay for pizza. Me not pay for it.
We really, I tell your daughter.
Next time when your cousin come to school about send papa money and he rich, tell your cousin to draft 20 grand here you can come give your mama.
20 you want, you don't want 50?
Do it same way you can have it. It depend on me.
Alright. Yeah, because,
Let me tell you something. She don't get back no more card.
but a 4 million depending.
Yes, she must query it and find out how they know that you chat too much as a father.
No, when she got the ATM
Oh, the
and
receipt.
and we see
Oh,
one
the receipt.
and
Come on.
Oh.
much zero depending with the 4
No, they can't check. Remember saying they don't know
Yes,
man.
it's 6-0 at the end.
They don't know man.
From 6-0
No,
they
they don't know man. They don't-
Anything when a 6-0, I go up in a million in there.
Seal.
Don't tell me nothing.
No.
I know 5-0, I know 4, I know 3, I know 2, I know 1, I 6-0 and go up.
Go on,
Yeah.
no matter. Go on in. Me don't talk at your argument. Don't you so? Me
So-
pay for pizza.
Come
Me
on,
pay for
let
it.
me tell you.
Uncle, me forget one oats them will come up there.
So okay. You know about the oats. You saw me I try to show you. No, you know, say you owe me more than $1,500.
No,
We talk
Look
about
at me, let me tell you something. Go on in the house. Go on in the house and go. Go on.
Alright, man.
What you say?
You owe me more than $1,500 now. You see them confirm about the oats? You see them confirm about the oats? That's why I wonder why 2 oats.
I want what's me name and it's Fasca oats. I don't name them the oats the way you name because big and tough.
I see anything them by Fasca oats.
Me no want none.
Fasca
If
oats.
they yard keep you over there, you name me 2 of them. Me never ask you for oats.
Remember,
Go on in your yard, you take too long and I waste my time. Me want to sweep up me yard. Me tired of you and my brother, but me can't bother with you.
alright. No worry.
Go on.
You no worry.
Go on! Before me start get mad in here. Why you come over here and chat about oats? You idiot. Sure. Pay down, no man. Hold on and get on top of my nerves. Can't bother. Anybody else come and me yard come bother me this man, we see with a machine here. Oats and card. Me use an ATM card. Sure.
Mommy.
You already know.
Yeah.
So you not put on a roller or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway. Don't make me search your phone again. And see no text from no man to know you are no friend.
Yes, mommy.
And nobody believes me having in my head say, are your friend use your phone and text man, you know. Nobody thinks you can't tell me feel that, you know, but me just give you time. Time is the master. I will catch up on you. Wait. I will catch up on you one at a time. But me just want to prove certain things. Me I go take what you say. Anyway, come go on to school now.
Mommy, you not give me no lunch money.
You never care about no money out of $200 when me give you.
No.
Well, me not tell you lie. Me not have no money today for you, you know, so. You have to go check your cousin, because my brother have money like that, you know. See, I'll take a card and they have money of last and I do this and I do that, you and them. So, you're not hungry that day, day. You don't think you're hungry today. Or your cousin have money.
So, mommy, I offer this.
Let me tell you, you're so sharp. Eh?
Because
And red and love people things. You want to tell me, Shanice, the $100 we may have in my name, if you go take it, pay down a quote, eh? Pan the bed bottom when me take out last week. You want me to take you so quote send bay leaf come on me yard? You're mad. So a floor plan to sleep and me can't give you. Me not shame him in my community sake of you. People go turn out a road, they watch how bay leaf come on me yard, go and take out me one bed. Your mother for me pay so much money for me already. You're sick in your head. Go on to school, your cousin have money, we get money from him poopa, and you get lunch to eat. Me not have none. Walk, go and walk, come back or tell. If you see Johnny, tell him say me say, figure, drive go to school, drive come back, and me we pay him weekend. Go on, me not no money.
alright, mommy, later.
Later.
Daddy, we're ready.
Listen, me know your daddy me. Daddy me, you know.
Then no, you're my papa.
Because when you come out here go to school, you don't come out here go to school. Why this still there, so?
No, your woman left it there.
I don't want to see it. Anyway,
Neither.
you ready?
Yes.
Good. Go on to school.
You know, give me a card.
Which card?
A card, how much card you know?
If you feel like say I'm mad today, you make a mad mistake.
Daddy, you're forever mad. You're not mad today alone.
What you say? What you say?
Daddy, come now, give me money now.
I'm mad, you call me mad?
Daddy, it's currently 8:25.
I don't believe. You should have wake 5 o'clock. You should have wake 5 o'clock. Right?
Wrong.
Last night, they came out of the plate, you know, wash them last night. This morning,
Daddy, I know me alone eat. You eat too. You can't wash your plate them.
so, hold on.
Daddy, give me money now. I'm
I not have no money. I not give me card. You go down and Sister Bev.
I want you want to go beg.
I'm my church sister. You go tell her, I say, if you lend you, read my lips, lend you $500. You hear?
Me I go to her and say $5,000.
How matter of fact, me I call Sister Bev, you know. Me I call her myself. So you go, I'm putting me, I'm putting me. Me say, I go to school to learn. Me say, I go to school to learn. What me say, I go do?
So what you go do with come?
What me say, I go to school to do?
Where you say me go to school for go do? Take man.
God, I want to question more and ask you. Why me can never stop this sperm before you go into the mama? Why you never stop it? Money not never problem, you know. Come back here late this morning. And you will see what happen. Alright, you know, I got 10 grand to you.
Girl, I'm gonna tell her this plain and shit. See, next time you tell me say there's somewhere, make sure say you're there, you know. Come in and walk up and down. Hello? Girl, when you send me a live location, you say you're there, yard. Somebody there, me and them want to come over here, so. And why you so drape up? Me no teacher better. I just stand up so on you like a little dead dog.
Why you bright me? I'm my friend them.
Oh, which friend ever told me to know your friend them?
You gonna know them.
And when you top on the road, go top on the road 6, and top on the road like say yeah, suffer. Top on the road good. Say attract man.
How come you come to disrespect me, girl?
Girl, I teach me, me not disrespect you. Me will never do
Girl,
that.
take care now for me.
Me have to help you, girl.
Me help myself.
If you top on the road and ready for the road. So your friend them there. How long them a take to come?
Me and wait upon them. Me don't know how long. Oh, now hurry up and come, cause I can't take this thing. Look how upon him a school girl, yeah. Watch a little shot one day.
Oh, see them here.
Watch
See them
a
here.
one day.
My friend them.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
No, for me, we found no. Anyways, me wait no, me go introduce you. Well, this is Kayla. Kayla, this is Chloe, your name?
Me your friend, you don't know me name.
Zoe or Chloe. She was when I remember what's your name. She are the bad breed one.
Jesus.
I remember what your name again. Trishana, Shishina.
Name.
My name Shani. Shanice, yeah.
Tap that.
Girl, stop shooting me now.
Girl, no insect, no day, so go on a school. Yup, so.
Look how a man big up.
Will you stop me now?
Be your
mad
grandfather.
one.
Come here.
How
We
are
go
you?
to school. We
Hello.
know how our parents are.
Hi. Come there now. Turn up the nice sun for you. What up, your man? Oh, no, go. Turn up your
We
sun.
not go nowhere, we don't want.
Oh, turn up your sun.
You can't
You
share
know.
when you go back more, girl.
Yeah, man.
You know, me say I'm like you, do I like you have money? Yeah.
You know me?
No? So me can't if you know you.
Yeah, how much?
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, how much?
Don't worry about that.
So you just see,
Just know me old enough so you can hurt me.
just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you this. Me not deal with pitney. Me not deal with pitney.
High five. Word. Good man.
I'm left you with this. You can't just see a random person. You don't even know me. You don't even know if I'm a killer or me a serial killer.
You look like killer. You look like a nice man,
you can't
hard
say
working
that.
man,
You
who
can't
make
say
enough
that. No,
money.
you can't say that. I'm a now.
Just give me a chance in your life, man, and stop this, so. Yes,
Father
I can't
God.
if you know you. I'm to Father God.
Pinky, none of the days them I know you're far and me I try groom you properly. Just still not be good, just still not have him. You think you did pass, but you
Yeah.
not pass. Feels
I'm
like a
tell-
kindergarten.
Let me tell you something. I tell you something. Me say happen to you remind me of a little girl. And a girl who me talk to already. You know, part of find him body. Na man to go be.
And then I find our body nowhere.
Wait, no. With our fear attitude because that the girl.
Me not have
see
no
you-
attitude, me
you-
just
you me
talk to you nicely, sir.
You know, you not talk to me. If
Me not full of attitude, me just talk to you nicely.
My girl, stop and not chat to him.
Alright,
You go like
yo,
say you want
have a good
disrespect
day.
you.
Have a
And
good
that me I
answer
say
to
to
him. Don't answer him.
Have a good
Shut
day.
up.
Have a good day.
Church.
Have a good day.
My papa calling me, must have to reach a school girl.
No, wait there.
Me gone later.
Yeah, look, man, your life full of matter, your head full of dance.
My head not full of no dangerous.
And before
Girl,
you tell the girls, if you don't look no man, you are going to tell the man to go on. The man not say nothing wrong.
I beg you to control a friend and tie her up good.
No bother with that, man.
Imagine you
No,
saying her
my
friend.
girl, go to school, here. Go to school. Go to school, here.
No, me not
I
go.
bet you go to school. I bet you
Me
go
not
to
go.
school and all your friends here come with, hey.
No, alright,
Go to school. I beg you to go to school. Girl, come over here, me talk to you. Come on,
Yeah.
to she. And me tell her this next time too. Look your son. You see this? And this near money. No, not touch
get some
it.
money?
Not no.
Me not have the money, you know.
You see when me dey work my body? When me feel like I have to go take education, me I work my body. Where were you? When you there? Me tell her this.
So give me some
You
money.
say you
Give me
look
$100.
man.
Give me $100.
$100 make me your friend. You say you look man. You don't address man like you address man. Address man.
Me just address the man nicely, man. I say me I give him attitude. Me not give him attitude. Me just simple say to him, say hello, sir. Me can't get to know him. Man, I say me I give him attitude.
Yeah, address
Him no one. So me give him attitude. No come. Me go down and find him and chase him off. Him glad say somebody a look him. Him foot them dry.
Me tell her this. You address man like say you look a pitney.
Me not address man.
You can't look man in a school uniform, my girl. How much my teacher say? Take off the uniform and put it in your bag. Me have clothes on my bag can give you. And you not go to school today because you really need to go back to kindergarten.
Who want go back to kindergarten?
You know how to look, man.
Me just the man nice. The man
Girl,
nice.
and when you on the road and look, man, girl, you drop something in front of them and bend over and arch your back. I say you look, man.
Me look. See me can't arch my back. Then fit me.
Back, exercise. Are you good or you bend down and long out your tongue then? Bend down and long out your tongue.
No, my tongue
Do
no long
that
enough.
then.
My tongue no long enough.
Come, we have to go for a mission now. Come, I don't understand what I go on here, so you're your idiot friend. Them.
Oi, who back down the scene? No manners.
So suppose me did drop, mommy.
We just a come take part.
Good evening.
Are you a woman in here, so? Me say for you are the woman in here, so.
Good evening, mommy.
Me nobody want it.
Tired. Don't know find me I want from
Where they come from?
school.
Which school? Which one is school?
Where you send me?
Me! Could never. The school when me send you should have come here a long time. School over a long time. Unless you stop somewhere.
Me not stop nowhere. Remember they don't give me no money. And Ken I never get the card, so we have to walk.
And that I excuse now. So you ready to go chat home, me not give you no money to go to school. Like you know, have your big cousin where in Papa rich now. And a big car them come to school with. ATM of course. Why you shouldn't use it though? Are your cousin? You know family help them out the money.
Take it away.
Take it away.
Yeah.
Anyway. Me not believe you say a school that they come from, and that me they talk about now. Do they come from school too late? For me, believe say a school that they come. How you do a school teacher when they punish you? You did in a class with 1 foot up your son, 1 years old, so?
Mommy.
So, how you look so guilty about me?
I'm not guilty and nothing at school. Me a come
So,
from.
you want to tell me, say, I true me not give no money for go to school, you have to walk come home, because you not got no money for pay taxi fare. So, you just walk and come home.
Yeah,
So, the journey
mommy.
you take like, alright, guess what? You see this? I feel. Here? I feel. And you know why me not bother about your ass with it? Although me owe you one beating from when you know. Me still have it in my brain. Me no forget it and you go get it. Me a go just lay upon a low profile. You know why? I never have no money to give you to go to school this morning. And I know say from here so to go to school I want good distance with you. So maybe I true you the talk. Me never say I true you talk, you know. So nobody think you can come back with one next pill. You now get to the next time. Go on in. Go on
You
in.
cook.
Go on in. Go on in.
You not cook.
Look here, you handicap man.
Come here, pick come here, come and wash plate and cook.
So if you go road, go catch man and then turn around, come give your money and then turn around, go buy something with it and come back, come cook and give it. No.
Then you me.
If me follow you, the whole of my front done. You and your papa run go and left your girl, now make me start you now. Because right now, me not, if me follow you, me not no more front left. When me done with the bridge, me find money to give you to go to school. To your workless papa. Gang and thief and broke people place and do right after I sit and go and let you one family. Look here, man. Look here. Go and go cook a little flour in there with the tin mackerel and not make me head hurt me. Please, in the name of Jesus.
Woo! I'm a mad people.
Oh, boy.
Oh,
Big man.
speak too soon.
Big man.
Big man.
Where is the style, man? Where is the style, man?
Me no style you say big woman, so I say big man.
Big woman, how when you feel like you're a big woman?
So-
when we say big woman,
so
you have to
don't
call
call
you
me
big
big
woman.
woman then.
Are you a yard? You choose to come from school anytime you want, right?
What you mean
How
that?
much of where you come from? Because it seems like a school you go this morning.
At school me go. Where you chat boy?
You sure you go to school?
Positive. You want to check my book?
Pass the book, give me. Pass the book, give me. Let's see what you learn today. Let's see if you learn. See if you learn. Let's find it to the date.
That if you want to find today date, you have to skip corona. So. Keep it.
Okay, so this is to the date. Yeah. Yeah, January. Okay, good. Good. I don't really understand this thing. So you put up your book. Me no good for the book work. But at least you write something. Anyway. Why you really come home so late now?
Me no
Is
come
it
home
that
yet,
you
daddy.
want to stop a man yard?
Nobody no stop no way.
Listen, me know why you ramp with me and look at me.
Me not ramp with you.
And why you go to a sister bed and not tell the woman morning?
Daddy, remember Sister Bev ears them is not 100. Me say good morning. And then she say, when we come her back the turn to me, I say good morning. And then she say, why you just step up back at me and I say morning. And I say, me tell you morning.
The woman say, you come there. I say, Bev, that is 73,500 because he must call you already.
Me say morning first.
Yeah, but you put just the woman name. It's either Mrs. or Sister Bev. She's a Christian. I'm in a road. Listen to me. You tell her, your life won't be if you not top. Behave like how you are behave, you know.
Daddy, my life gonna be
Listen
tough if you don't make me alright in life. Yeah?
Listen to me. Make it alright. What if you do? Me still a feed you like your baby. Me if you go down to Chinese, go buy your baby buckle and come up here and put it in your mouth, feed you.
Yes.
Me if you cook and feed you.
Yes.
You don't know if you cook yourself.
So how me I go come in
If you don't know how to take, man.
Me no know if you do that because you ever want to mash up my face.
Listen to me. Me hear about you in the ear, you know.
That's what you hear about,
Me
you
hear,
don't know about.
you see how she my sister? I don't know me I go right now. Don't know me I go right now because you see, me feel like say when you don't lick head, things don't work out. Things don't work out, or if you work out.
Daddy, you know say me feel say you think clean though?
Me I think clean.
Yeah. Don't tell your barber things so up on your hairline.
So, this your father. This me. My mother. This me, my mother. Eh? My mother will push me out. Me and 1990. This me.
Daddy, if
My
me didn't
mother.
push you up there, I'll leave you at hospital.
Listen, I look. Yo. Now I'm coming the right time, man. The right time. Yeah, my favorite sister, you know, man. I tell you. Anyway, I look a cooking oil me a big still.
Hey!
Huh?
Whoa! Father God, help me, Jesus. What you just say?
I look at aisle me a big. Look at aisle. Aisle. You know, say people come in late. This is they come in. If your daughter come in late, you say my daughter come in late.
Ooh. You want like a cooking oil?
Aisle.
From who, me?
Uh-huh.
Me when I have no money.
Aisle what?
Me not have no money.
Look at cooking oil what?
I know nothing. If I have it, I'll give it to you. Because one thing you know mean to me, but
Yeah.
me always give you anything you come and you come ask me for. But you see, friend, you get too hype, and I go on too heighty and go on like I say, you have more money than me. And
No,
we are
me
same
not do
mass.
that, man.
We are same mother and same pa.
Me not do that.
Same woman, same papa. And from you start have money pan card and to me never go on bank or branch or where you want call it. Go get no account. Cause me no understand how to use the ATM card. Me no know which part to push it. You understand? Me no understand about it. First of all, me no have tearing, me no have nice nothing, so me can go get them this thing there. True, you have card, you start type on me and I tell all the people them down the road that day, me go down, they go here, where they chat how me broke and I beg you every minute. And how you have much money and you can come give me this and give me that and you go foreign and when you come back you not even look for me because when you did little, me used to treat you bad. Me tell you something.
No, me not.
You see the cooking oil where you beg me, me no want you nothing fry you. You have a damn right for no one give me no time for chat because the little cooking oil where you come beg me. You see if me did have a feature would me that give you for make your conscience near out in the night. But me no have none. So you come for little cooking oil, God Almighty. If me did have the cooking oil, I want big cup you carry coming now. One big old mug. One big cup.
I'll me a beg a chicken me a fry, so me have to carry big enough.
You fry chicken?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, when you clean up the chicken good, wash it with vinegar and lime and everything. Yes, when you clean off the little all sinting them, you see skin part no bother dash away. Fry and get the oil.
I don't like chicken back. I don't like chicken back where you use the fat and fry and
chicken
get oil.
Chicken have fat.
The chicken take long to make oil, you pat it burn up.
What are you full of excuse? You better go down and Alice go tell him if you trust your food.
I'm not trust chicken back now again because chicken back look like a garlic we eat.
You're not listening. You don't have no money if you buy the oil, don't? If you did have you wouldn't go and beg me, don't? Okay, and me don't have any to give you. So you go down to Alice, go tell Alice, say, Miss, if you give you $50 butter, and I will pay for it.
$50 butter.
$50 butter, me will pay for it. Nobody pay for it. Because I no oil. Me know you have me up on chemical, you grave for oil. I do not have any cooking oil to give to you.
$50 butter, my sister, I tell me if you got trust. Before you say got trust, $200 oil or $300 oil. Eh? You tell me butter. Butter. When me not want to put in a rice, a oil me using on my rice.
You know, say you're ungrateful, you're a little bit ungrateful. You want a little oil, me don't have any. Me say go to the shop and make the shopkeeper give us the piece of butter. And I will pay for it. Me never say you are going to pay for it now. And you still a debate like we in a parliament. Yes, we have round table talk now. Talk. You know don't talk. When they come ask me if my daughter come from school late for you, you don't know say she a late bug. France, see your daughter and my daughter one next little thief in one we say nah no mama head lick. I change, my daughter change.
My daughter go to school today and he come in late because I'm looking at him book. Me make sure me looking at him book.
The two of them are cousin. So any tree where one fall upon the next one I go fall upon the in them blood. So if me even beat her, she still a go do the same. She come home late every day from school.
You spoil her, man. You
Me
stop spoil her. You stop spoil her.
Me sorry, say her teeth in papa. Hey, sometimes we woman can't.
And you make him man thief, you know?
How?
You make the man thief and end up in a prison right now. Yes.
Hey.
Me remember the day when me did that, me and him play domino. And your body more tense than pick me one last call the man asks you, say, when you gonna do? You tell the man, say, if you got thief.
Yeah.
And the man that can't me.
So,
big man, me.
Lord have mercy. That you remember?
Yeah. So you pushing that intention for the thief.
But my brother, listen. If you like how you're man,
Yeah.
me don't know if I still have no woman, but me know you did have.
Me I want to please I want to come now and then.
Anyway, if that woman look for you and say, go on over Booby Key and jump off in the deepest part I see, you go?
No?
Well, fine.
When you push
So, if me tell him say, go thief and he go thief, I don't me force him to do it. Me tell him to do it, me never force him to do it. Me
why you never tell him to go work?
Me not put no gun in his neck. I never stick him up. I said, you don't want mine your pitney? Go thief then. Because you don't want work. Because if you don't want work, no must thief you want thief.
Well, you're right, but you know, tell the man that the man...
Then why a big man like that was so strong do not want to work? No must thief, they want to thief. And if I say go thief in my ignorance, you really go thief? If you stay in a prison, I shall have next man.
And they carry me, you know.
Like,
go thief, people cow. It's a good thing, we're afraid of cow. It's a good thing, we're afraid of cow.
Right now, then taking picture with the cow in there and newspaper.
You see? You don't look for me shameful, so we go thief cow. Wish are you forced the man to go thief cow.
Hey.
The poor brother-in-law, every minute I come about credit, send him credit. Me block that
How
from my
phone
phone.
in a prison door?
I don't know him get phone, but me block him from my phone. The last 3 credit, they
Well,
send
lucky
him.
you block him. Me and him left before he come out of prison. Because if he come out for two, me and him done left already before he come out. And in him come out, me don't want to know.
I suppose he's rich.
If he rich, that not nothing to do with me. He just still have to mind him pitney. Don't think money. We think about him pitney. Me have different man.
So you say.
Oh, yeah,
So
me.
you say if you see man come right now and drive a Benz, they say yeah. Go and see your daddy. Why go and my baby father?
But
I
if
don't
he give
know
me
him.
$1 million out of when I have that and look how much time me and him, you know.
No, you don't deserve $1 million.
Yes, you there, but you want cooking oil. You
Are
are
you-
wicked. Go on out of me yard and stop it chatting about me no deserve. Then if me get the $1 million and get to buy a big jug of cooking oil, you come beg me out there, but him, me no deserve it, not you?
Oh,
Eh?
sorry. Anyway. Shanice!
She know the here, wow.
No man, you can't tell me that. And if
Me
you
know why
are...
you question. Let me tell you something. Yeah, my brother, I know. But me know why you question me that and
No, me have to know what I
because
want.
she chatty.
Shanice!
She dey in there, me just talk.
Come here. I said, then I'm manners.
Who that?
I hear the bright old face about who that.
Brother, day go chat. Oh, she take away money and half a card and something. She know why nothing with you all when you are her uncle.
You see, he come from school and take off your uniform. How you cook?
Dumpling and mackerel.
You can't cook?
Yeah,
Since when?
since my mother teach me.
And me come over here, come look for my sister and open the pot and me see rice and swim in there and tell me say you a cook rice
So,
and
hold
you
on,
tell
let
me
me
rice
ask you one
porridge.
question, my brother.
Uh,
That card there, where did have so much money where your daughter take you to school and go brandish, like I say, I fear it and she work put money on it. No money no left money where you could have just some money come give me.
No, missus, me tell her say them yai nasty good.
Come here, when they for chicken, they trick me come on me and come beg me cooking and save me a money down here or whatever. I have money save up on card.
Then tell her say this is 60. Right, I'm glad they don't see no other number more than 60.
I know
You see 1-1.
You see? First I did 4, now 1.
Miraculous,
Tell her-
they use it down and carry that one.
Tell them brain no good, you have to see with them.
No
Them
man,
brain no
well
good.
I know. So you want to tell me say, them the little pitney they use off all of $3 million out of $4 million left 1 million.
That's what I'm saying, them done.
So
I
what
just
them
3 bucks
buy?
a piece of them buy half it. I don't say done, man.
And I don't send don't think they are man.
Who?
Enough pitney take them parents money and go give man. You know that.
My daughter
come on.
could never do that.
Ah!
Any day, name day, she take my money when me I work so hard and give no man. You see, all the man when give.
Oh, enough boy come to school. And then I feel fret about hungry. Then I feel fret if their
Yeah,
father or
remember
their
them
mother they
days
give
they
them.
come
And guess
used
what?
to
The
go to
little girl
school.
pitney them, know say them pa and them I give them money and then take you go to school. And when they catch a school, then look for them and give them it. So you lucky.
Oh, that's your daughter do. Because my daughter
Me not
can't do.
trust nobody. All in my daughter, me not trust her.
My
Like you
daughter
think,
can never do me that any day and take you and boy.
Then
You
when
see?
they're not talking truth now, talking God truth. How you come so broke now? Still a big cooking aisle. What your daughter do with one card with $4 million? Still a $1 million left for
We
me.
tell us that
Who
card,
that three?
that not have millions, but it's an emergency card. If you want to buy a car with it, we can buy it.
So-
But I don't have it. I'm broke.
And $1 million did money.
0 cent.
Miracle. All right, later, little more because you make me chat and me hungry and that.
But my trust is changing that aisle for
You
you.
see, $300 aisle, me say $50 butter.
Keep your butter here, man, because we don't know what kind of style thing this is.
Me me source of food make it choke. You not have no gravy for me.
Hello.
Good evening.
Where man I say?
Good evening.
Oh,
Good evening, young lady.
evening, daddy.
Good evening, young one.
Where you do ya?
See that what you mean by me I do? I live.
But you did say you work. So it's back
Where
here.
you come from?
Eh?
Where you come from time now?
School.
Where you time now?
Yeah.
What time school over?
School over.
3 o'clock. How are you? Girl, me answer your father if you don't like your father and I'm going to happen. You see? School over at 3 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
I couldn't get no bus.
Go to school gate, take about 2 minutes, so around 3 minutes, can walk slow. And then if you go on the road now, so many taxi driver them are pervert.
Pervert, daddy.
So,
Pervert, I couldn't get no
you
time
have
to
to
come
come
up.
and wait for the female transport to come.
And weed all job. So
Yes.
them fi eat and say young like I want to you know, we say go school to you know.
But nobody not like you, daddy.
People like that tell me say my parents them same thing that too.
So you're okay. If you don't believe her, I don't care. Anyways, girl, sit down. I'm not understand why you have your peer. It's a good thing.
what
Me
about
not
back
have no
to-
family member. I live by myself.
That big woman I still go to school.
So yes, about the boy now.
Yes. Me have seen to tell a girl. Girl, mix up.
Yes,
Mix up. Me say, my find man.
You find man.
Yeah, girl, I have money.
You have money?
Mm-hmm.
So when money, do you not get the money I find?
No, I told them meeting yesterday.
Oh. Which you can get money?
What school you? You're a big woman now.
So you're
I
blind?
go you're a fool.
So what you mean by
You're a fool.
What you mean by?
Where me?
You know, just. Oh, where you go with sisters?
Turn around.
Oh,
Oh, sit down, Turn around.
No!
Move, move.
No! Nanny, stop! Nanny! If it dull. Daddy, let go for me.
Move.
And I have money, do it.
I was in our school. You know how
No!
I never see this yet in
No, Daddy, stop, no!
I never see this yet in my life.
Oh, Tana, you have money, do it.
it.
You have money, do it.
See if it's never done.
If it's dull. If it's dull. That's why I
Yo.
don't left you.
Listen to me, me tell you
Where
this.
man?
My
Go
pa.
outside, mother yard.
Me tell you this. Watch out, girl. My pa could never so bright to try come
Girl,
for
come
me.
on,
Shut
come
up
on,
about.
Brenda.
Left me yard.
But I'm going to
Left
me
me-
yard. Nobody know what I piece of all I'm broke
Left
down
me
here.
yard.
They are broke down like my you. Go sit down. They're broke
Yo.
like.
Your friend left me yard.
Yeah, that's
Daddy,
my money.
yes, me tell you.
What?
No, so the girl is bad. Me can't sit you up alone. Take you and talk with me all daytime.
Yes, you want it?
Me don't want you about that right now.
No, come no, daddy.
On go on.
Let me see them
Right
side,
now,
daddy.
right now, just piss me off
Come no,
right
daddy,
now.
man, don't stop me, son. I say you can't stop with me at daytime, you know. It's nice, you know. And
So you know that.
no worry about that.
Oh,
And
you
my
know
friend
that.
that.
You go there.
No, me no go. No do that.
Hmm?
No do that.
Where you going go there? No woman name.
No do that. No do that, daddy. I pass the
So
place
oh,
now,
you
daddy.
know that.
Me I tell you. And he tell me. Yeah.
A knockis.
Knockis, daddy. So you can't tap with me at daytime. You want so telling for you?
Ah, do ya do.
Alright. Me and go up, me and...
Smile the water. Come total dry to all the weed away my bun thing. Go on.
You catch you want catch my flow, daddy?
Go on.
Alright. Me I do something for you, know. You tablet me?
Alright, you must cut out you know. Go on.
The scissors don't lock you.
Go on, left a place, left a place. Ready? Yeah.
Hello. What happened here, Jason?
Tired.
Why you come from school and take off your uniform and throw it down on the bed like that? How? And you're in your dirty socks here with your girl.
I'm tired,
You see your things sticky right now? And everything rough. If you're going to one of the supermarket, then we don't $100 done before you even reach pan the step. You don't know if it take up. You're shame when you got the cashier. Me not know soap to wash your sheet. Take off your dirty stinking socks off of my bed. Anyway, get up. Why place look like this?
I'm tired.
You're tired? So me talk to you, your ears not here because your ears tired. You're tired? Okay, alright, wait. Get up out of bed. Get up. Get. You see me did what you want to lick from that day, no, but I'm hot up me, you know, and someone me I say, you take if you joke and chat about your tired. Get up, man.
Suppose you send me and me drop down pan you.
Drop down and done. Nah, dear, young, you will get up back, you're strong. Anyway, want you come go to me, brother. One up of your uncle go tell him, say, me say, the partner money when collect for me, me need it because I take too long for carry it come. So me send your feet. Me want it for use right now. My light bill coming on my phone. My light bill coming now. Straight to me me email. My light bill come. My water rate come. Right now no food no in my house. And me have you for send a school. So please me to ask him, figure it and me figure all of the money when get no take none. When him send it come, I will give him money out of it. But do not take any because I have too much things for my brain right now.
That goes for him. Him not fi take none.
What that mean?
You say,
What you think me mean when me say that? That mean you fit it. What you talk about? What you say?
you say, tell him say, if he send all I come,
Okay.
and he not fi take, him not fi take
So
none.
what you think when me say that? That mean you fit it, but him not fit it. If you think you're bad. If you think you're bad.
I never say that, but
You walk to school for 3 months straight without lunch. Me take it. A yours.
alright.
Alright? And when me hear you did a grumble around the corner, they tell your friends say, me a short your lunch money for go to school and one for sitting. Where did that talk say? Eh? How me not give you no lunch money for go to school? Where did that say? Eh? Nothing. Okay. Well, let me tell you something. Sometimes when I see me not give you no money for go to school and not give me no one give, and I don't really have me not have it, me end up have to show my partner to make you not dead for hungry. You understand? I have to buy your textbook then because you soon do test.
But me
As
feel
well
like
exam.
dead for hungry and make us
Dead for which hungry you just cook tin mackerel and dumpling and say, I'll go along up your uncle go tell him so me say give you the little money where the woman give him for give me all knowing can't get reach down here. Please me ask you in the name of Jesus to go along up there. But they wait for you. I want to go down to the supermarket to go buy some grocery and care up if you go cook me to get it in me. Me tell you that for my brother, you know, you just read so.
Kenna!
I saw me dead Jesus Christ.
Where your father then?
In good lady around this. Daddy!
Call him.
Daddy oh!
Oi!
In there on this.
Answer so. Holy.
Oh, oi! What your problem?
You come for me, madam money.
You come for your mother money. You come for your mother
Alright.
money. I say you come from me yard. What your mother really send you up here for? That more I know.
Fear money, our partner jaw where you can't come from yesterday.
You see, you're
All lie.
you go talk to your mama, you know. Because you not know manners. You're not supposed to say Evelyn. You're not supposed to say Evelyn.
What me a say plenty for you did
I
grow me with
choke
manners?
me. You want can't wake. You want can't wake.
Me tell you some papa.
I
me
choke
like
you,
your
choke me.
uncle.
Me hanging no.
But and your mama. Tell him to me sister. What choke? Let me tell you something. You think that she can't run with me, so? Me screw down in head.
I let you tell because she said she choke you and you have to take it. Come,
Allah,
give me madam
girl,
money.
no, you want me head? No, you cannot do that.
And she said that's why she give you your card to buy clothes.
Me never sister.
That she said. So give me madam money.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 60 grand. 75. I want 90,000 I partner draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get $600 mark my word.
Yeah, $600.
Right. Cause when you look up it in hand weak and touches. When you some breathe before time.
Stop calling
1,
them bread
2,
pound.
3, 4, 5. A 5 money you give me. Look! How much money this? Cause your father can't count, you know.
I think this
One.
day for a reason.
2,
You want me near you here?
You want me hang your
3,
head?
4,
A
5.
5 money
A
that you
5.
can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want me get the lick in Spanish? Eh? You want me get the lick in Spanish?
But a 5!
You know, see me count out 6 a while I go show you.
Check our pocket.
Come
Me
here.
not have no
Count here,
pocket.
so.
Come here. Can you free say, yeah, come rock me before time. Try go to your mama. You're bright.
Ah, you lick me. Sure. See, they are 5
Tell
there,
me mother
so.
pound and then beat me up here.
Yeah, tell him what. You see, next time you count the money in you, and you tell me fat of me yet.
But me count here a while ago.
You know, see me count in front of you.
Me never pay no mind.
You never see me count in front of you.
Me never did a pay
I
no
say, if
mind.
you bear me mind, say yes.
Yes,
I
it's 6, so me just follow you and say 6.
Okay, so you ready that people come and come judge me.
Nobody
wrong.
not judge you.
You not get no food for tonight.
Me no business. Me will call police for you for child abuse.
Yeah, call them. And then work hard for your mama bring you come here. Call them. Call them, no? Call them. Cause of them work hard for your mama.
Move first.
You must sweat the pull up for your mama. Call them. Yeah? See there? When your mama push out, your mama gone with white man a foreign. Let me wanna suffer with you until we get a good job with, and I show my partner and I save. Eh? You make them know say me have 4 million
Me
per
no
my
make
account.
them know nothing.
So all the girl account is zero them.
Me no know how she count it. How you gonna know her something? How you gonna know how much they pay?
And no matter of fact, when you not count here, say 6020 their end. You can't count them there in there. A 4.5. But next time, no do it again.
Me no do know everything I me do.
Don't do it. Me not like you. Me don't want nobody study me.
Nobody
Me I work too hard. Me I too partner. Me I do this and me I do that.
Daddy go
Me
and
I
go do what you
survive.
do, man. Bye.
Tomorrow morning, me I cut down your lunch money to
Me no
250.
business.
Because me not see where it is. Me I send you
Me
go
no
to school
care.
for. You better me buy you one machete and one hoe.
Oh, Biden,
You can go turn farmer.
no wrong with it.
A matter of fact, give me this. Give me this. When I go to school tomorrow, me give it. One,
Keep it, you could even
go and go
wash
wash
it
up
up.
the plate.
Me
Go
nah
on.
wash up
When we can
nothing.
cook. Go and go wash up the
Me
plate.
nah wash up now, because I know me and your mouth a hit.
You wait till the step mama come down.
Me no business.
How you go?
Step aside where you walk.
And I hear the elephant. If you think you bad, go out the door and come out of the house.
Watch me.
Come out of the yard.
Watch me.
Me I watch. Come out of the yard. Me just give myself some time to go up on the road. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Where do you have your stuff on? You say I'm sexy girl? Yes. Okay. This a man now.
Where me must see I go?
Where you go,
Daddy, I don't do road me I go.
You have permission to go to the road?
She didn't ask for permission.
You mean that?
She reached the age. She has
You
16.
might take my
Daddy,
early,
daddy,
you know,
daddy.
I talk to my daughter.
Daddy,
Wait a
she big enough to take it.
What?
The government say once they reach 16, at the age of consent, that they can start doing anything.
Government say what? Government say what? And,
So when they reach the age of 16,
go
they have consent to do anything, go where they want to go. You never hear the law?
consent where? In who for
Where am I
house?
go with Cutlass?
You know him?
No, I don't know him.
Job one, me tired of tell her saying, you have to adjust your daughter, you know, because she can't
Daddy, you know him?
go over beach, you know.
Daddy,
I'm reading this and we are talking about daddy, you know him what?
you
Daddy,
know
you
this
know him
ugly
what?
man
It's
here?
me I talk, you know, man.
No.
I'm big man like
Yes,
I'm here
me I
for
talk.
call
When you
ugly
never
man.
control the daughter, pay attention to your daughter and stop watch people picnic.
I'm a virgin, pick me, you know, come broke him
Wake
out.
up and look where you
This
up on the
broke
road.
out already.
Oh, me aware. What me
She
aware?
big enough.
Big enough, where?
Even if your phone drop
She's
on you,
still
you
on
have to
peace
pick
bed.
up in peace.
So,
If
If
my
my
phone
phone drop, me can't check it up. If my
Pull up on
phone
there,
drop,
watch
sit there.
it.
You know, sure.
Let me tell you what the parents go wrong. I'm your friend, I'm going to tell you. No
Yeah.
feel no offense. You see the hairstyle they want to make them put in, and boy ears, and women flash shape on.
Look
Flash
funny.
me here, yeah.
Look funny. I cut it already yesterday, you know.
So where you cut it?
She's
flash it, girl,
done.
I fear it.
Why? No! No!
Move on.
No, me not. Girl, want this girl? Girl, no! Why?
Let me show
No,
you.
don't cut me here!
Listen,
No!
Oh, sick.
No! They got for me. And I get money to it!
money no. Let it go.
Let
Let
me
it
go.
go.
No! No! It's not your money do it, so you don't have...
I should have met.
Me Spider-Man here now!
Me say, girl, you're not
Hey!
nonsense.
Me...
I should have
Man!
met.
You're not...
Watch it, watch it.
Let go.
Watch ya.
Let you off.
You know,
I
feel
know.
like
And I hear
Let it go.
daughter.
Daddy, time for you go for me here. You're bright. I know your money...
feel like you're a big woman.
No.
Let it go. No!
Cut it.
You're bright. Cut what? No! You nah cut. Daddy!
Relax.
No!
Relax.
Cut it!
Relax.
Relax.
Me nah make it
Relax.
cut. Him and my father.
Cut off. Trim him.
Me nah
Trim
cut
him.
him. Me nah cut him.
Trim him.
Oi, man, you coming out
Trim
here.
him.
Me cutting naturally here. Relax.
Hello.
Trim him.
Me yeah,
can
tired of
relax.
your friends, you know.
Trim him.
Man, you cut me naturally here, no. All right.
If you don't relax, me cutting naturally here.
We can go cut the ear them for your daughter front.
Hey! You're bright.
How are you?
Let go for me here.
How are you?
Trim him.
Daddy.
Papa, trim him, Papa.
I couldn't.
Oi, Papa,
Trim
your voice, what you want, name?
Trim him.
You're not true. Man.
Trim him, Papa.
Girl, help me, the girl. You turn up.
We can slap him 2 times, my shit.
Stop what?
You
Stop
want-
what?
Go away here.
Take them for watch your hair.
Let me tell you something. You see people like a them there. You send them a home. Me here today over beach. The palm in the water bounce palm cucumber. I lie me I tell you. I lie me I tell you. You know say your daughter owe me if you want pizza when buy her for me cat. In thief me cat from my daughter. And buy 3 bags of pizza with it.
Hold on there. Me know I'm saying bad, but I don't know saying my teeth. Me don't know about teeth.
No. In thief.
And your daughter have your card, right?
And in take you away from her.
2 of them go down, they come and see them. Me have to beat him too.
Oh boy, me don't know. Why if my shit at dot? It is the right time when they sharp me, you know, sharp.
Nearly chop off all my hand.
Where get them there from?
I man and get you off.
You know, me I go down on my yard, you know. Cause me like that the bad get no one they down there, you know. Cause a while ago my niece come down, they come borrow money. Me nearly cut her 2 slaps too, you know.
If you nearly, if you do it.
Think of one of the money. Like me, I idiot.
She's a Europe family at teeth.
Where's your towel? Where's your towel?
Europe family at teeth.
Oh, where's your towel? But me,
There's no way me can go on when somebody think them bad. Take up my chef and cut out my
I told
father.
my water expensive. Me can't think my spring
$100
water.
for. But
Water
expensive, $100.
A spring water.
That not say 100. Me must say me have the water in the phone, you know.
Eh, now you turn up over there before you come help me.
Me help you. Hello. Me can't see man with machete and want run up help you. No, me dear. If I did you would help me.
I lie you tell.
Me no business
Lie
no
you
no fight.
tell.
All your fight too disgusting too.
I make mother man a beat me. I
Hey,
let you
hey.
talk up last. Wait till he come in
If
here.
I too disgusting, me say disgusting. Watch him. What is my neighbor? Me like a pie, no?
That's how sorry me did have a mother.
You dirty
What
man.
does that say?
Daddy,
Let me
I know
tell
you
you
wicked. No, I just my father.
No, me adjust him.
Daddy,
for
I
you.
know you're wicked.
No, me adjust him for you. You know, no strength for your power when the power they say no. But you see that man there with the machete in he look too man. You can have your daughter. I make man out a road. They cut out her fast here. Me ask you a question, and you put it on there.
I mean, have Rapunzel before the man they cut my natural ear.
I trim me, they want him to trim you.
Why?
I know man is come like a ear of fool or two.
The ear can't fool her.
You know, sister, when mommy did there, when mommy did there, you wouldn't go and say, I make other man lick me.
If the man is there, they go on so.
No, if the man did there, you'd get
girl.
the trimming pot in
Will they
it.
get you pat in the head?
Stop it, that man, me
You're
talking
like a
details.
prisoner already, my
Stop
girl.
him, me talking
Good girl.
details.
He's a very careless father. Me tell you this, you can't want to try bend this a tough tree, yeah. If you
never
never
seen him.
bun, you see, me tell you, if you never bend it from she young, not try bend it now.
You can't steal when she's
Where?
still young. She's not rich now yet.
Me know young, who say me young?
That through the gate.
Who say me
That
young?
man
Okay,
no
then you
come back,
go
come
through
back.
that door there. Just no say.
Daddy,
You go
look
through
for me
that
good.
gate
Daddy,
there.
well on, look for me good. Me look young to you.
See how
Look for me
You
good.
look maga.
I hear it, thank you.
You say
You
look
want
fine,
something
you
you
good.
want to say, but thank
Yeah,
you.
me not talk to you. Me father me.
Man, if I eat
You
alright.
maga fit tree, your father not fit.
But you know maga too. The
Girl.
maga like them lime tip there. Don't do
Me no
that.
maga.
Oi.
Stop when you out here either.
Anyways, me I talk to you. Turn around, so come closer. Come closer.
Put up my water,
Come closer
expensive
now.
water. Come on,
So
water.
one.
Tell me.
Me not talk about you. Me not talk about your daughter, right? Me talk about me and
Let
you.
me see them over here.
So you don't feel like you want me to do all the good thing and you give me a piece of money? Yeah, man. No, I'm money me feel
Daddy,
love. I'm feel
daddy.
love. Money me feel love.
Say, could you see I give me peace and I want to.
No, you must be
Yeah,
mad.
but you say free things are good, eh?
No.
Eh?
Hello.
I want to go and then sugar.
I want horse me want. I want horse me that want. Me no want a bula and me
You
no want a
want monkey,
bag.
you know?
Me no want to move in this piece of old broke down house, yeah. What chichi and I'm done.
So my house I
And the
want.
window want fix.
So my house I want.
No, me not have money for do that.
Hello. Am my house I want?
You must be mad. One of them big upstairs and downstairs wall house.
Alright, hold on.
And a fat ride.
Put
Big
it
leg.
Hold on there, daddy, hold on there, daddy. Daddy. Wait
You
now.
can't put in something there.
Daddy.
You see, I walk
Daddy.
there, I walk.
Don't me call you by right name, no sir. Hello. Oi.
You make me do what for them.
You can't go
Your
out.
pum can't get big house and them sitting there.
Watch me, girl. Watch me.
No, stop, come on. Come on.
Oh, how we are doing this so? Since when are they your yard? Unless they're my yard, you know. I'm tired, girl. I'm not there at the first spot. Don't worry about that. I'm tired out this right now. Anyways, you remember my phone where they mash up? You remember my phone where they mash up? The iPhone where they mash up?
Which phone?
The man phone where they mash up. The man say you want him money for his phone.
So me forget it from.
You know, I'm money there.
Where money there?
Girl, come give me my the money.
You know, see I red.
Oh my yeah.
Oh, all of a sudden, the man want money for phone.
But no, you mash up your man phone.
And
You wanna
all
come
your
to me.
clothes dirty so.
Don't worry about
I will
that,
beat
girl.
you.
Don't worry about that. The man want him money.
You never yet can look sensible. All this.
What is that?
Give the man, yes, a US that. Can come like you don't know money.
Someone don't know say US this.
How much money that in Jamaica?
This are 15,000.
And change. I want scream, don't charge more than that.
The man wanting it. Give me
It's
next
an
time.
8 plus scream, you
It's
can't
not
fool
an
me.
8 plus. It's
Girl.
a 15.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Me I got my yard. Can you see you? It's just little bit of red yeah.
All the worry
Yeah.
your shots.
How much time you mouth yeah?
Well, take a then shots. Can't pay your one. Right.
Pinky girl.
Okay.
Me tell you from the front of some. Ooh.
So
you tired so?
Because I was working.
Oh,
Because I was sitting on me
Oh,
down.
was it? Oh,
Not
was
me
it?
that. But you know this, from after today, and me, I'm not only your friend, I am your stepmother. You must have respect and manners, because me and your mother now.
For who?
For you know, ask me next time, you see after today, me and I want a man conversation, you know, because me and your ma.
Hello, listen to me. Not about respect for my father. You never have respect for?
I want to show your mother the love. I want to show your mother the love.
Girl, excuse.
It's after today, me and I'm going to say girl.
Girl, excuse.
Say mommy. It's after today too. So when you adjust me on the road, you go start go school. You top school with me. Me a big woman, you a little picnic.
No, because my daddy grand, you can't come tell me.
Girl, let me tell you this. You little picnic have manners. I see them braid there. You see any day I try for them, they won't come out.
Hello,
I mean,
me
that
take back
me
my
ask.
father. Whatever,
No,
put it on you and take it out back there.
Me tell your father already. Now no come back from this. He's done with. I'm telling you, I am a stepmother.
Last time I check step or somewhere you walk from.
No, this a step here.
You can't sleep, so
No, I sleep. I'm very fun.
I'm tired. Can buy one juice?
Hold on there. Me not see good around. Let me count you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $600 you're supposed to be able to give me.
And that thing give me and he send no envelope because he take it out of the envelope already.
Your uncle take out the money out of the envelope and give you
Yes, mommy, never give me no envelope and he run there beat me and bat abuse me. That's why it take so long.
Hold on there. You know, say one me and him feel thing though. Cause me not understand. Me can't believe say he see how hard me have it. Enough time me not give you no money for go to school, me have to throw the partner because me want to sort out certain things for you. And he really collect the partner money for me and then take out $100 out of it. He not even call me and tell me just use it just so. No man, me need to talk to him about this.
Come me buy me juice.
When I go downtown and go change my dollars man, then and I get the change me give, I can go buy one burger later. So we get juice with it.
Alright. Now go bed.
Alright, we need to talk. Chinese,
Yeah?
come here.
Yeah?
Want to look about something to eat. You see that money, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I know you're not right, you know. But here you know. Cause 6 days I did forget, but don't worry about that. Left that story there to me. I'd rather change this $5 man or Cambio, but you see for right now, nothing in the house seat, so I'm going to send you a shop.
Mm-hmm.
A $150 then figure you for $1. Here?
$150.
Yes. Remember I said this is US. So guess what? Change it down there. When you buy, you ask them if they take US off them shops. Then just buy some rice and some peas, the little fine red peas then.
Run red.
Yeah, little one them. Buy that there. Come in like when the peas them too big. Buy the peas, the rice, buy one bottle of cooking oil. You know? Buy one box of butter. A 2 stick coming in. And buy 1 4-pound chicken. Because I see when me cook this today, if you serve you for 2 weeks straight, me not cook back for now.
Alright.
Buy the juice you did say you want there.
Alright.
Alright. Hello, can you want me change?
My sister! Why if you get a little partner jar, you just hide so. Come on, time, you know you can't do that from all, you get it.
Take off your slippers and come in here so. Come here so come talk to me. I need something to talk to you. I can't bother to come out this way now.
You always. So, what about you know?
You can't shaking on me out.
No, man, a piece of work me go mash up over one yard there, me just have to whap a girl out tight. You go on the name Pinky where I broke up my daughter. And you give him one slap out of the machine. You don't spend money, you just still have me. I'm a fan man, I'm saying you. I think you say you have something to do with it. That's all I tell me. You couldn't then wait till we come down now, come here. Eh? You couldn't wait.
Papa, how much money the woman gave for my partner job? Because
$600. I mean, give your daughter $600. I must hit that.
Papa, you take out any money out of your money?
Me look like me short of money. Me might come big aisle. But me not short of money.
Papa, a $500 Shanice girl down here. Papa, I say you give her 500. You know what I asked me before me start getting mad? Papa, let me tell you something, my daughter not thief.
So wait, let me ask you a question. You believe she over me?
They know me to believe.
Me
She
give,
could never dare take out all $100 and spend off to do what we did. Listen,
Yeah,
the reason why you see
I'm
$400 you say, you know. And because I just give her $100 to go to shop. But a $500 she bring come. She say it's $500 you give to her.
not
So
like
now
that.
we have
No,
$400
listen
now.
to
I give her $100 to go to shop. So see there, what happened to the other $100 would have make it be 6?
We count out $600 here, right? And I ask my daughter to confirm it, right? She took 100 behind her. And then my daughter counted and said 500 again. And I said, no, we take out the other 100 from behind and close it out. And I make my daughter count it again and give it. I have $600 if you can come give. Me no idiot.
Papa, I don't believe
Me
you.
know how much money I send come down here. I know how much money I send come down here. When would I want your money? Eh? So where you lock door for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me say me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shit in my house? How where you come for do? After you take me $100 you come for come warn me?
Me!
Eh?
Since
Papa,
from your...
so what make Papa?
Me say off of the
Put
road.
on my shit.
Off of the road me I come.
Yeah, talk to you. Me no want continue that conversation.
No, me no lie.
With no
Me no-
machete
see
in
that,
your hand.
look.
Put it down. Put it
Me
down.
no violence.
Yes. Why you carry my shit in my house? See, if me dey ask you for my money, you use it and attack me with it?
So you feel that that's happened?
Yes. That's why you don't carry my shit come on my yard now. You see?
No, me go check for you to see if you alright. Me no normally check for you. When me I come off of the road I go on me yard, me no normally check for you.
Papa, I want my money.
So you believe your daughter over me? So me would have take up $600 where you get and take out $100 out of it. Can you come here?
Papa, I want my money.
You don't believe me?
Papa,
Call your daughter.
Papa, I want my money.
What's that? You see, a you jam my shit off of me now.
Papa, I want my money because you see in a 2025 yeah, not even the hands not reply me no want owe me nothing. You think a little time me send my daughter to school without money just to throw the partner there? To sort out
And your feet and
things here were
me.
important.
What?
You now help me. Look here.
Listen.
Papa, give me my money.
Your feet and me will have my bank card.
Dirty thief in Papa. Alright, the second now, you know, give me my money. Cause you see me
You
and
see,
see the
you see
video.
me, you see
Me
me,
want
I
me
swear
money,
God.
me want me money. Give me my money.
You better come for your money yourself. And you did wait. You don't know you just send feet and then use the feet there. We come back and see eat there so you make it look like an emergency.
Where you say? I know you take your money.
Me not take your money. When you get the money, you have money.
And if you believe you say I know you take your money.
Remember say I know me and the thief in one in the family, so me own the thief in money. Remember say when they
So
take
me a thief in one.
me never call no name.
What you mean? Then how much are we come out of we mother home? What you mean? When you say that, what you mean?
And after me and you, it can be with sibling, it can be with uncle, it can be with auntie. Me only say me and the thief in one.
Papa, me want.
No, listen.
Papa,
listen.
me no want lick you with the machine. Me
Listen.
not even want get myself in a no trouble place. So you know what me
No,
put
no,
you down.
no.
Papa, me want my money. Give me
No.
my money. Please tell me. Oh, alright. If I borrow you, borrow it. Just tell me I'll do. You should have asked me for it. Just give me money and nobody make you worry.
Why me
How
don't
me
want
I go
money,
get my
your
shit?
money? Me and you, listen. Me get my partner job yesterday. I'm in lodging on my account. Why me
just
don't want
show me
your partner job? Where she there?
Me ain't no mood for worry.
Me say where she
Papa.
there? Because me go triangle her right now. Where she
You
there?
realize how me come and me not, you get me ignorant because right now $100 gone out of my money. You tell me say
Me
no.
go look for tea
And if you just
$15,000.
calm and
Me
just,
really go look for tea $15,000 and look for $100 US. When me can just go a bank and push in my card and draw out.
I lie.
No, me don't mean like that.
I lie.
No, mean like
What
that.
you say?
No.
What you not saying to me, my
No,
brother?
no,
After
no.
you come back out my cooking aisle.
No, my bro, me not really have it. Me not really
So
have it.
you can me? You save up for your things them and can use out 9 up here.
They say
And that you do?
they say eat little and live long.
Oh.
So Me
So when you
seal.
come beg the cooking oil, you did already have money for buy oil, you just want to see. If for me, I got done.
Me didn't want to buy a little
When
bit
you-
of oil out of that $1,000 why cents. We just freeze it down in my wallet and just come big and oil better than we go and shop. Go squeeze it out.
What am I please?
That's how we live.
Me when go take him machete and give you two type, but me nah bother because me see trouble in front of me. Go on.
Alright, you know
Go
what?
on.
No have idea, you know. Cause you don't believe me.
Go on. Go on.
Yeah.
Me alone go cuss you. That good and name your supper. But guess what? Me take back every word because you know what? Me a go question.
That's how we come down.
Me a question me.
Over $100 women
Cause
take.
if I lie you they tell Papa and my daughter tell me say no she take it and me a go Bible and key me a try. Me tell you something. Papa anybody name is
no, me
spin
can't believe you, sis. Why would I want to take your money? Remember to me a more me a work.
If the Bible and keys pin on your name, a problem. Go on.
Right, I feel
Okay, you say I know you take it, not you take it. Go on, me done. Me no want to continue this because you
No,
go
so
get
I
me
tell my
ignorant.
daughter, fear
Is
for
that
her
me not
daughter.
bother cuss you, just go on.
Alright.
Me no want good mood today. Go on. Big thing, good man. Me no now come and me and come comment me for me can't trust nobody you out.
Auntie. Auntie. Say, look, sir, first I see your niece.
Where you be here, son? Where you be
I
here?
am your niece. Can't I come visit you, lady?
Where they do ya?
No, me come for come check you.
So what? Where you want? Me no want you in the yard because me beg your poopa collect me partner money and you have to take $400 hold. Where you come for?
Where me
The
put
rest of money?
$100?
Eh? I rest of money you come for?
Who that up, boy? Me did it, and daddy count out the $600 give Shanice.
So you say me niece, where you just say?
Me did it, and he say, look here, witness this, and then he goes so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he say, hey. And when he count it out, Shanice count it and say, a 5 this, and then he say, no. And then when we check, he have the money hook up around your back part around your soul. Girl! Same there. Ask him. Come here.
What you do ya?
Oh, what me I do here? I walk me walk.
Tired. Me
Tell
only get the
Tell
rice
your mother
and
what
the
you do with the
chicken and the
$100.
beef.
Nobody know business. Tell your mother about the $100. And a $600 me pack on out here.
Only good no make you boss. No. What?
Give me the phone.
If you want your know.
The
Give me money.
Not change.
Me don't want you about the change. Me talk about the $100 we missing from the $600.
A $500 make you.
I know 500. Remember we pull out the next one for your back part.
So Shanice, you really thief your mother money.
No.
The money.
No.
Hey, little girl, shut up your mouth. You really thief out the $100 and make me blame me brother. And you so lucky thing, me no little
Listen
my brother
to
when he come
mommy.
down here.
Yeah, give me time for talk. It's not you me a thief from. And him. That's when me grow on there for your money. In this about 75 of them. Right? And in theory out of envelope. In Denver give me no envelope. And he give me 6 dege one. And I beg him 1 and he don't give me. So me did I try trick him and hide it. So he give me one other one. But then he did end up laugh.
So if he give you $600 and $600 me figure for the partner. How much me figure? Remember, let me say it again. If him give you $600 and a $600 me figure for the partner, how much you believe me figure out of the $600 where he give you? 5?
$600 but one loss.
Why you take one? It is not yours.
I did not take it one loss.
One loss. So one just lost out of it. So the whole of them should have just lost and done. You see you?
Blow away.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Cause guess what? I never believe my brother, you know. But you know, say me believe him. No? Where you come and sit down. Get up. Get up, man. Get up.
You know, say to her, you lick me every day, lick then just get natural.
Get up, man. Get up. You're too teeth. I make me cuss out my poor brother. No, me I run my knees. Come on, man, I'm going out. So tired. And a matter of fact, me say I go buy chicken and peas and sit in your kebab sauce, right? Give me the change.
Auntie,
Me take Pinky
Later.
from
And
me.
tell your
Yeah, me
father.
tell him say you're sorry.
Tell your father say me sorry about everything we happened. You hear?
Alright.
Come and believe say I'm taking you as a little thief. Same way. Your generation then turn by your papa side. Wicked. No wonder why in their prison. No, sir.
Shanice! Shanice!
When me a sleep, girl. And me can't hold if you hard and me not feel good. What happen?
No, I come in to see Pinky come to school.
So, the normal thing that feel not come?
No, man, it's different. You know, say he wouldn't call and text you and say he not go to school, but he not do that.
So you want to do? Check on him.
Me call him already and he so me tell him say me I'll meet him out there so.
Come on, go there. Me never
Hurry up.
change.
Me need that.
I'm tired. Me can't bath tired, so.
I must breathe, yeah, breathe.
No, man. I'll go phone me here different right now.
Same.
So she
Oh God.
how you look so?
Well, how happened?
Are these are the Rapunzel we have?
Yeah, Rapunzel, I some have one man when your Popeye come.
Wait,
With dull cutlass come want chop off my ear, my Rapunzel
What
ear.
name?
Popeye.
My uncle.
my father.
Are your father?
I can't my uncle.
My
Well,
uncle not. He mad but him, I don't think he would have used
liar tell me
He
as
mad, but not
in
so
the
mad.
kuno, he cutlass the dull, you know. But probably me asleep in the sharp meeting at night and come cut off me hair.
So then at the yard.
I pop me up, but me not even feel good.
So I can't come to school.
Girl, me not feel good, me not come to school today.
Yeah, breed.
Me no know. Feel weak, I feel like me want drop done.
A job, you know,
I
long
drop
me
you
have a
because
good
I can't
laugh.
catch you.
Me not drop you in front of me.
I understand how you are say Papa I cut your ear. Me not believe say my uncle so mad. Me still in denial.
Girl, me I tell you, say, Popeye.
Describe him, cause you know a holy papa pie there.
Yeah, oh look.
Popeye brown, in tall, in head bushy. In face
My
come
uncle
up
head
so.
do bushy.
In face come so up so and down so.
I'm a pa.
Little girl.
Funny laugh.
We are not so.
Oh, come think
walk,
of me
me
a
walk.
come out.
Me not come by you,
You
know.
can't come by me.
Cause no too rank. Anyways.
And you too stink.
You smell me.
Man, you know, do
Lady,
that right
speak
to some man.
and
I
go.
don't feel good for
I'm tell
party
this plain
anymore.
and straight. I'm not argue with people. That's one thing. I'm not argue with kids. You hear? Listen to me now. And me a stepmama. And me tell you, say, tell in the yard, can you go on school, you cook up on roadside. And that's where your father, you have a right to drop out, you know. Come go over. And over if you can't go now. And I'm if you pop on street and start batter you. Go over. I'm not laugh. Go over in the yard, man. You look up, you go and cook up on roadside.
No, call load up your mouth off of me.
Come
Cause
on
you're mad.
over. I education every text.
Yeah, go on
It's
now.
up on roadside. Well, like, go yard. It may your companion. Where they par road. I don't know if you do it, Nina. I don't know if you do it, no.
Delete yourself now with it, say no. Sure.
I never delete your shape, you know, 'cause you don't shape good enough.
Me fi delete my shape.
Look how you long. If you ever them niggle and trade, they'll go on and don't start for my cousin.
No,
My sons, me never tell them
And
one
me tell
tall.
them,
Me never tell
Look
them
here.
one tall.
Don't
Don't come
come
by
me.
me.
Don't come by me.
me.
I want to argue with little people.
I'm gonna argue with big man. Can you start
My
sing
girl.
too early? I want you.
I'm telling this, you know, my
You
words.
come
Look
like
here.
a little
Enough,
something them you
no.
grow up and they start fool you.
Yeah, I know
It don't
that.
matter as
Yeah.
much as how me go and bother me to bring her with me around and give her a man. She a little pick me, and she if you take her education.
So if you
and
never did that take
book.
her father, you wouldn't know so she a little pitney.
Hello, I chew me a stepmother now, make me take care of she, you know. Me never go up with no mother.
We
She
no
lucky say
business.
me a help her,
We
so what
can't argue with
Come.
people.
Lady, go on.
We can't argue with people who maga to jump out of them front.
We have fix up for yourself stuff because
Pan the road, mommy.
on the road go do what?
I'm not big enough to go on the road, mommy.
Big enough.
Yeah.
So that's why you left go pierce navel. You think me wouldn't see it? You forgot. See, I know your uniform you have on, we can hide it. Belly skin, you give away your. You give away your man.
Mommy, top this.
Which part out on the road did they go? And what reason make you have to go out on the road?
Me just want to walk.
How far to? You have money? You just so walking in town so with your empty hand for no reason, no tell. Mine not tricky, you trick me. Are somebody I go meet? Where you going? For nothing at all.
I'm gonna look for my friend there.
You see him jing bang friend when me see come in here wish there. Pinky.
No, not Pinky, Ken.
Okay.
No.
Alright, me I give you half an hour. Go on and come back.
Alright. What?
Oh, you come off the road so quick, how?
No
Me give you half an hour, you come back before 15 minutes. How?
No feel good.
You don't feel good? How am you now?
Belly hurt me.
I feel time I'm on now?
No.
What am you? You want to go to doctor?
No.
What am you?
Mommy,
Hmm?
we can tell us something.
Hey! God! Shanice! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Shanice, looking at me too big guy. Looking at me eye them. A pregnant or a breed? Which one?
Pregnant and breathless.
If I shut your box today, where you get so much energy and time to talk, them the kind of sitting there. And that me ask you.
Mommy,
You're breathing.
sleep.
Me say if you're breathing or what? You're breathing? Or you don't know what happened to you? You're pregnant? God, how you breathe? Eh? How you breathe for?
No.
You don't know. Who? Jesus Christ.
Resist.
Come in here, my brother. Come in here.
Go on.
Shanice, hold on there.
Huh?
Me soon talk to you. If you come argue with me, say, you did tell me, say, I know you taking money. Me sorry, I'm here I go already because my niece come tell me, I tell her to tell her, say, me sorry. Me no, you know why here, where they go on here so, right here so, pick me in a disability, I me send it to school and she a breed.
A breed. Let me ask you.
Me send her to school to go take education in her head. She come back with belly for me. How me go manage now? And sometimes me couldn't even find money to send her to school. How
You
this
know,
go?
some of them want to sick.
What you mean?
Sick or vomit. Tell me say at the bad aisle. But since she pregnant, me I make sure me step a pharmacy. Me I buy a pregnancy test.
What you say? My niece, they over your yard sick now.
Sick or vomit down the place. Say a bad aisle she eat.
And your niece over here so breathing. They vomit out her tripe.
Hello, look again. Look at me. My daughter have any fornication with no man.
And that's what they talk about? For a long time, me suspect say them a do something but this a one and she lie.
Who not breed for? You see a man?
She said she don't know.
She don't.
That mean they do it with more than one somebody.
Jesus Christ.
Unprotected. So they all can have
This
sick
one
too.
tell her about your bad getting beat. And she broke out my...
No, and your daughter, so if you come
Oi,
with that.
Your uncle talk of manners. What you just say about
But
bad
you
getting?
not tell life.
Shut your clappers. What you say about bad getting? What you say?
The bad getting pitney.
See me bad getting.
Yeah. You don't know what's that them my woman run off with my bank card, but guess what? She don't know what I shut it down, you know. I
So
go
your
on
dad-
my phone and go to pew and block it. Awa.
So your daughter did go to school and all over the place with the bank card. No woman gone with it.
Yes.
Boss it.
No, I can't bust it. But me could still can't bust it because I shut it down.
Yeah.
Me go up on me
Yeah,
phone
idiot,
and
you know.
you know,
Not a thing.
I may have 4.6 million for it.
Eh?
Oh,
See me tell you.
Sit down one side, cause you a breed. Come here, my brother. Sit down right here, so. Sit down,
I
sit down.
slip the more slip.
Me know.
I slip the more slip. Me.
You sick, you know, lie down. Remember, say you're not no trend. You have $6.5 million money.
No,
You
$6.
know, so we are same mother and same father.
No, listen, we have $6.5.
Make it stay. Me don't go and know say I'm more than 50 the penny. And me done here where you say already can't switch. Listen, me and you is brother and sister, and we feel learn to live loving, and the Bible say we feel share. How much money you wanted have? And you see how much time me tell you say me not no money if you send your niece to school and not even hand me a red cent, not even a penny. My brother,
Alright, let me tell you the truth. I'm coming to the confusion
since what?
me more slip and say 4.6.
Mm.
The reason why we have the 6 that are the partner money on me are sure, but the $4 million come off of Papa burial. Me the insure Papa under the quiet. And when he dead, they put the money, the $4 million over there, so we never give you none of the money, so we just keep it one side. Just because me alone didn't pay the insurance.
Oh.
Right. So I put it there so I make you alone bury Papa. And I pretend like we didn't have it. When we didn't have it, could have bury him with it. You understand? I mean, go a part office and then give me 80,000.
My brother,
for the
and that you
burial.
do to me?
And we take 80,000 and I use by the little synax where you say we can't come here. Come give you. Until they say, hush, Papa gone, but that's how you go. How wise move? How wise move? No, me have it, we can give you 200,000.
No, nobody with it. 200,000 out of style.
No,
Millions.
not talk about the money now. Talk about that, you know. That belly there.
Oh, she done breed already and she have to go find the daddy. Me not take up no responsibility. No, but
Yeah, she said she don't know her own breeder.
me sorry, I know me breeder. Me send her a school.
Mama, let me ask you a question, because you talk to them too soft. I go breed you. I go breed you. If I ever know, say, I breed my daughter over there, I breed next month, I down the place.
Hello, before you
I'll
find
put him out.
Come here. I don't like how you stay.
No,
Before you
go back for the money,
no, man. No, you can't do that. You don't see your time harder than me and your brother and sister.
No, man, for
Before you go home, go ask her. If I breed, she dey breed. Me know when you change your mind. The money where you say I have, remember say I for me and you. And you see all of them foolishness you do when Papa dead. Listen, the money if it split, the money where you have on your card, if split between me and you.
How is it telling me I don't pay insurance?
You don't have me number already. Me account number. Just send for me to my phone. Else you know what go happen. Not true. Then after you send you can go and go ask your daughter if she a breed. And not even one red cent decide
No,
you
me can't send it yet because I black the card, so I have to go to bank and free up it.
Go and go free up. Me no care. Free up it before you go to her.
But she know. Where plan to this? She can't me. No people can breed under my roof, you know.
What you tell me for do?
Put her backside out.
On the road?
Yes, make she suffer.
Make
I
it-
told him all learn. If you keep her under your roof and you ban that picnic, I'm going to get another one again.
No, listen.
The first mistake, don't make it be a second mistake. You put them out.
She not have no right to go have sex before time. But it done happen to her already.
So you keep her in.
Me no want send her out on the road and then she go suffer and my grandchild and then me,
You are going to keep her in there, right?
if you know until she have the baby, then when she go back on her foot, she find somewhere go. She can rent somewhere and go look for her.
No. If you do it, so no, you're not.
So if I, me no say if you want pregnant, me never say so. In case that happen, when you go ask her if I that fit you, where you go do? Run her out?
Pack a bag. Put her backside out. Because me now, you know, hear what she said? She don't know who breed her. So that means about 10 man.
So you go left your one pick me fi suffer.
What?
We know say them stupid and they don't use their head and maybe go have sex with more than one man. And no, they don't know who is the daddy. Like a Murray show then they pan her sitting. You understand what I say? But you don't want your you want your blood to suffer. That means you wouldn't help stranger.
Oh.
Then if you can't help your own blood, you're not going to help stranger.
Me will help stranger because stranger is stranger, but your own blood.
You can't just sit. You sure say me and your brother and sister will come from the same mother and same father because you're different from me. You see, if you send me niece out the road to go suffer, me I go take her in here, so you have to go fix with me. Go on. Remember if you send me money, come give me.
Anyhow, she breed again. When him bad one and him breed again, can't say me name.
If she breed again, she not go in here. So me tell her, say me just go keep her till she have her baby. When she go back on her foot, she go look work. Find someone for rent and go along with her picnic. And that me say. Say she breed again, that not nothing to do with me. Me just, she not know if she go here now. And she young. And just stupid and go open up them door. And fling with the key. And cannot find it back because they don't know who is the daddy. What me fi do? I'm a grandchild in that.
I bet you say.
Me not say she have no right to do it,
No.
you know.
I bet
Cause right now, me sorry say me can't kill him with licking up.
No.
Cause
Me have a
she
feeling
pregnant,
for
so
them
me
breed.
not go lick
Me
her.
have a feeling for them breed. I bet you until I say me see them at beach.
You too?
What do you hear?
Me hear about it for a long time, so you know say they go beach and you not say nothing to me.
Me rush off of them. Them fast. And the fastest me ever see them move. They move like lightning.
Hello, you feel sick. Get up and go on in your room. Want to talk to my brother.
They
Go on.
don't go to school.
And when you reach right there, so turn on the light or sitting. Go on, come out. Go on in your room. If you drop down around there, so. Me need to talk to my brother. Not everything you chat me then here. Through them I take man, then feel so then big. Go and sit down right here, so.
If I beg you, beg. Just tell me friend now.
I'm not begging anything.
Oh.
I don't want anything from you.
Oh, okay.
Me could have ever dare beg you anything.
Alright, where you asking now?
So my brother, you see 3 million where you did for give me, you can't put 1 more million on it and give me it. Make 4.
So me I idiot now. After me show pay for papa to me say my sick. We go put him for insurance. Put it to $4 million, right? Me go take up the 3 out of it and left me back with 1 and then put back 1 more penny and left me back with none.
Then you not spend as much already, you could have just give me your light and done.
No,
That means you would be a loving, kind-hearted brother.
as a real loving kind hearted brother, we can give 1 million.
Go on in your yard now. Tomorrow me and you finish that about it. You keep up my time. Somebody, if me figure me somebody out the road, go on.
Anyway, call the police and the fire brigade and the ambulance.
I don't know, do. Go
Send them
on.
over me yard.
Go on.
Yeah? Send them before me.
You're not talk when me want talk, you know. So go on, me case.
What me tell you to do?
Call them. Me will go call them.
Okay. Somebody must dead.
Nobody not dead.
Good girl. Where you come from?
Oh, that's where I come from.
Where you are come
You
from?
know what time it is? Me in a size. Me in not size than the company.
No,
and
I want.
Look, you see that? They close them that.
all this. Wait. Well, you close them.
From my skin, I say black. I look on your skin.
Right.
I'm not your daddy.
So, where me gonna go? Maybe where you gonna go? I don't care where you wanna go.
Come from?
The amount of man where you they take, make one them put you up.
Breed you. Go on in yard, come know say you breed.
Right.
No ball.
Nobody
Ball
ball.
to me. Ball to God.
Hello. You know long me I want you. Girl, after me become your stepmother, I'm your groom, you right.
Must be the best friend, you know.
Me tell you, me is no longer no best friend. Me a teacher say go to school, take education. You see me? I grew up with a father and a mother. There was nobody to teach me. So me just bad so they me settle down now.
No one for a long talking. Go on now.
Go on out. Come out.
You go sorry one day.
Me say if you want a little girl line now, so me not no size, you know. Anyways, V.
God, go with him.
Watch out.
And then know me now.
Oh, my cousin not call me for. Wait. Yeah, girl. Go on. What? Lie tell. No. Girl, I couldn't. I must prank this.
I will go on the phone then. I will go on the phone.
Because me tell my cousin to run a program for your car. You know
What kind of what you mean by run program for me? Yo, what kind of program you talk about?
when you run background check for man. Oh, I'm better but I'm weak. You're my father.
Let me breathe you. Yo, Father God, don't put family.
Shanice! Shanice! The girl, yeah, man, she deaf. Shanice! No, man. Shanice!
Yeah, girl.
How so much time me have to call you?
Because me asleep, girl, me not feel good.
Yeah, girl. Me have something to tell you.
Oh,
You
you
can't sit
going
down?
bag?
Me have sit down, yes, sir.
Then me need to say you could have sit down.
More sit down, me tired. I just find out, say, my father, I know my real father. Girl and Kayla pack up my bag and put me out.
Then rough for you.
You can just talk to your mother for me, please.
My mother don't like your girl, so she not go.
Hello, good evening.
Get up. Get up off of my step. Get up, girl. Go down there, so. Where you go? You see you? You're not learning.
And I me call her, me did
You're not learn, girl. You're not learning. Why? What she do on me yard? Why she there here?
She say her father put her out and she didn't want to stay over here.
Yes, because no too damn blasted bad. What?
No,
What happened? How come see your father put you out? What happened?
she gave her father one young girl and the girl backstab her and put her out.
This a girl ya. Care woman go give her father. You see it? That's why you breathe.
I'm a find out, say, you might not know my father. I'm find out me a jacket.
You find out say I know your father. In the name of Jesus. No wonder why you stay so. So you come broke out my niece. You broke out my daughter. Like a sore, just like you. No. You is a jacket? Really?
Me never know.
How you sure say I know your father, by the way? How where they do? Come fi trick me?
No.
I mean, yeah, they want to come stay. Eh? Half of my daughter don't breed sick of you. Look here. What is your problem? Tell me the truth. What go on?
Alright, me find out, say, my father and my right father. Find out, say, me a jacket. Look how my brown and in black. That makes
How
sense?
you know that you do one DNA? Where you get money from?
I know me do DNA test.
So how you know that?
Me see paper. Me not take up a paper.
Oh. Oh God. Me feel sorry for you, but me no want you in my yard.
Yeah,
So you can't go on now. Cause
Yeah,
you look
can't.
sick too.
Me not sick, man.
What happened to you?
Me
From me
not
come out
tired.
here, so you just spit out there. So what is your problem? You dey breathe too? You breathing? Eh? You sure you're not pregnant?
I'm not pregnant, man.
She pregnant too? So, I breathe and they tell lie. Say, I know for your pa.
No, tell no
And your
lie.
father run you out to find out say you're pregnant. How you go?
Me see the paper say, I know my right father.
So, what happened now? Your father say, you are no for him daughter.
And me
So,
brown and in black.
why not that bag?
Clothes.
Clothes. What do you mean?
My clothes, me ask if you can even put me up.
Who?
You.
Little dirty piece and tail girl. We can't take my daughter and my niece and carry them go give them man and make them breed. Me fi harbor you in a my house. You don't know shame. Boy, you have a heart. Who give you your heart?
God.
Is Jesus or the devil? Cause me no know how you fi care for my niece and my daughter go make them get pregnant and then you look like you dey breed when you tell me say you not breed.
I like shouting for me.
What tell lie upon you?
Alright, me tell you the truth.
Who they tell lie upon you? Say what? What they tell lie upon you say?
So me afraid. Alright, me tell
Say
you.
you what?
So me pregnant.
So you're not pregnant?
Alright, me tell you the truth, man. Alright, me pregnant, but me don't know if you have a cuss me or whatsoever.
So, little girl, little Jankuno girl, you dey breed, and you come on me yard, want me to put you up, and still I tell me like so, me dey carry in one badass claddy, one liar, one
Me
thief.
don't know if you have a cuss me, see? So me want to tell you the truth, you know, cause look where you call me
Me
name.
already did a cuss of friend and me sleep and out and me sleep. Now you come in and me yard and come live with me after the foolishness them where you go on with. You see say badness no pay? When you no reach certain age, you no feel say the world a runway, so now run go catch it back. I know so you go the world now runway. Sex, me say it every day. Sex is for everybody. But when it's your time, it's your time. If I know your time, it's not your time. Penis not running away. The amount of penis where they on God earth. Me and you can't done it. What happened to no little crutches? You don't have no crutches control. Tell me now, talk God truth where God love. After you put on them your foolishness and take away my niece and my daughter and yourself go get pregnant. For all you should have sense enough, cause you know hand up and although you never know, you should even make that happen to you. So who is the daddy? You don't know. Almighty Father God up if me I beg you to come down right down here so come sit down right in the midst and deal with this case for me. Take the case and give me the pillar because me can manage it. Little girl, like seriously? So you know up and your picnic they come on up I want curse in a year generation. How? What is it? The same thing we catch you go make you catch a little baby. Is a wicked picnic. You You never know say. I'm a tough for say this. Go for you, my niece, and my daughter. You no need to know say before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. Get up and go and about your business. Because I make you feel sick. Anyway, you see to me a mother? I am a mother. And when kids do things wrong, me get ignorant, cross, miserable and angry. Because me go tell you the truth and I go vex. But you could have been my daughter. So me now go make you go out on the road, go stray and suffer because man I go use you even during the pregnancy when you breed already. So guess what? Me I go put you up. Hear what me say? Until you have the child, get hard, can go back on your foot, look at job and then you find somewhere rent and come out of my place. You hear what me say? Go on in. I know near amount me things them in there. Anything where you want you ask it and you go help clean up your place. Go and go look in the kitchen if it's sitting in there. Take your IT. Go on. Jesus Christ. A world not run down on penis. And it not run away. When you're pregnant and hungry. Lord God. You know what? Let me go in car. If me fall on
Oh boy. Look here. Hello. From morning we ask you a question, right? And you give me stupid question about acid reflux.
How you figure stupid question and you ask me question?
You know something just come from over your cousin. And she a breed.
That is she. We all are human species. We got to breathe to live.
Breed to which live. Me not mean that breed them. Me not mean breath. Me don't mean breath. Me mean pregnant. Big belly. Belly soon grow. Unwanted picnic and she don't know who breed that. And that you don't want?
No.
And that way I said don't go to school for?
No.
If you come here belly. Man run off left you we say one of your bottom mind on belly. But let me tell you this. Me a one pa. Me a one pa now mind no unwanted bastard when he born, you know. You have to know the father. If you don't know the father, we get a barrel and we go to a gate.
Listen,
and every man can drop their name tonight.
How you mind this unwanted bastard?
Me know say your mind and me know say your mama gonna foreign. But when you don't breathe and don't know who, for and bastard. And when you want to call it, yeah. You see, Uno?
Daddy, the reason why I acid reflux. You know, some enough to eat island. Yesterday, you give me island flour to eat.
Let me ask you a question. When you take up, you can't go lavish, buy cheap box of pizza. You know, feed them, just spite you.
No business no cause anytime a hospital bills skyrocketed pan ya everything, then you go say if you didn't know.
Free hospital today.
Okay.
Ilium free for a reason.
Okay.
You go down there.
Okay.
You wait 24 hours before you get to. I saw them hospital around Jamaica. It's life and death situation. You go down there till you cook rice and peas all 20 times before you get to. Then walk this down there. I never see a place like that in Jamaica yet. When me there foreign, you know, me go to hospital over foreign, you know. As me go there and sign up my name and bam and wait for my to boom me everything call me if you ask everybody say. Anybody here in Germany? Everybody here in Germany?
Nobody no business.
Oh, so we are trying to say, you know, business if you're pregnant.
You know, say I'm not pregnant.
You don't know?
Me know say I am not.
You know say you are not.
Yeah.
The proof will do the one day. The belly have to grow.
How belly I go grow unless if me have koshioka and me no short of protein.
So you are going to feed you.
You know what protein be? Nuts.
Yeah.
Nuts and bread.
Right.
That day you feed me pan.
Yeah.
Obviously me I got protein.
Right. So you are
Right.
going like
You always say when me did to me no, when you no feed me. You feed me but you no feed me properly. You no give me balanced diet.
every day you ask if you balance diet. I tell you, so when you eat, you have to balance your gut. Only plate, yes, sir. Only fork, yes, sir. You take
That
up pea.
unbalance. You fork heavier. You fork lighter than the plate. You know, go on way up.
So what you try to tell me? Say?
No.
I don't me dance.
Indirectly,
Half of me
but
I show you
directly.
equation. You have a plate, yes, sir. You have a spoon, yes, sir.
Yeah, show me.
Equation. Where were they?
Oh, go on back to school, daddy. Well, go on back to bed. Go on back to school.
All right. I don't call me. If anybody thinks that them bad, bring a belly. Me not tell like my sister. You know. Bring a belly come in there. If I don't who pick you up, at 6'6". We have make sure we got dig me hold from now. Yeah. Go and tell them. We have make sure we dig you hold from now. Make a belly come here. Make me want to go a doctor. I sure say you're positive in pregnancy. Yeah? You better make sure I'm negative.
Yes.
If I
Can't chat. Go on.
oh yeah, chat. Huh? Oh yeah, chat. Come go here.
I'm gonna be already.
Come. Come. Go down here, granny.
Me not
I'm
go
done
down
with you now.
granny.
You're a big man. Go on. I'm done with you. Come.
Me not go with.
Come. Me not put up with no big man. What is? A big man ship no one. Go on out of this place here. Big man ship no one, man. Oh, you reach the end. When I know say end, man. Thank you. For you see this, you know say you reach at the end. I only open knock. Do not skip it out. Because if you skip it out, if you fall forward out, it not gonna work. It not gonna push me for flame enough because you not get enough. You know, review. Please just watch it straight. Do not skip the video. Do not the ads, yeah, you can skip the ads if you want to skip the ads. Because sometimes we can't wait for the ads to done. But do not forward the video. Just watch it out. Watch it straight out. Because the more we watch, I better we can post. And if me see the views them start go up high, me drop movie like every other day or every day. We can do it only if the views is right. We can drop one movie every day. Bless up. Thanks a lot.